Big up each and everyone off inside the house. Welcome to the Hard Way, Kilimanjaro, Justice. Right about now, we're gonna get started. Jaro said, Justice, I'm first time in Jacksonville. So you go ahead and start it and make it see all the things set. To the Hard Way. Yeah, think calm. Let's go. Greetings to all original road boy, all original gangster. You hear me? Equal rights and justice. Rhythm up. Think all.
You know what's a real why? You know what Singer G represented? Justice was born in the dancer.
Yes, sir.
As a champion.
Yeah.
And oh, just like the killing machine, justice keep killing ever since. It's been a long a long time coming, but I know justice going to kill them and done, 'cause it's been too hard living.
All progressive people
to die.
Your mother.
All original gangster, you know, say they are not suck no pussy, put one in the air now.
Go on.
Murder every bumbo clat sound in ya, no.
Ready! Ready! Ready!
Yeah.
Right about now, Tinkal.
Them can't keep the justice down. Play them tune when them want with the front.
Earlier, to the Hard Way.
Rastafari in
Jaro Justice.
And they could never ever take thy crown.
I told you.
Who's a blessed, I say no man curse.
You know.
It's getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers asking for a search. They found no weapon, just only a
Everybody, I hear me.
Cause I'm so solid as a rock.
They just can't stop this sound. Read him up.
Justice sound, we kill them right there.
Alright.
If them disrespect them are flying in the air,
We go kill them right there.
Bigger judgment we are declared.
If already we go.
Kill them right there.
They say I hear nothing else.
We gonna get it sound. Hey, tell them a justice sound.
If already I hear me.
Name your sound die and we don't care. Justice shot them in their eyes and we don't fear.
Yo.
Who's fault to no one but yourself. This justice sound no one built them. Be up the human race.
Jaro Justice.
This just
first round to the Hard Way.
Remember one, praise Selassie I name.
Alright.
The youth them in the ghetto and down the lane.
Why does it have to be this way?
Coming on to them, never stop the equal rights. Justice sound a play.
You know.
Just one of those days.
If already.
Last sound of them.
All who come for this sound dead. Gun on in the ear. Yeah, bro.
Justice on the attack. Them face. Justice, I think about them.
Gun on, yeah, bro.
Anyway, juvenile.
If already.
That one on name Chuck. Who do you think you are? You're just a little dead sound.
Earlier.
As wicked as you think you are,
You're just
a little dead sound. Dead sound. As mad as you think you are, you're just a little dead sound.
Yeah, man.
Sound. Stuff as you think you are, you're just a little.
Jaro.
Sister told them, say,
Alice.
the day has come. Justice stand and see all this.
So set it, Rastafari. Say what you wanna say, yeah.
Yo.
That's not justice concern. Juvenile will never lose his way, yeah.
I'll get to you.
We're going to have no time.
Yeah, bro.
Them can't get you down. Let loose, yeah. We will. Justice sound. We will. Lord.
Yo.
Your eyes are up this morning.
Thanks to see the rising sun.
All who come and Jaro and Justice.
And even when it's done, injustice go play another dub go number one. Cause the time is so very low. Don't that get so dangerous. In this time we see no some boys to trust.
Father, but me can't tell you something.
But it's so easy to kill us some boy. Every time that we play.
Mr. Jaro, justice to the hard way.
Fountain Mount Jar, pick up justice song. Song with you song. And show them down. Burn them song.
Ever ready?
Oh.
King Selassie I son. Tell the world, yeah, yeah, bro.
The one your name slew sound every time. Time when he jump and come round, justice you kill some every time.
Them say Jaro the highest mountain in the world.
Jump and come
I don't know about that. Yeah, yeah, bro.
round. I be a kid and go round them. Anywhere them take it, kill and go round them. Heart in the blood, justice a jump sound.
Well, justice said the Gideon rough, you know. Justice now gonna fight is just perseverance, you know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, justice, tell us on this. Them too persistent, so them die. Here is the reason why you not give up the fight. You kill a jump and feel life. See them now, them go down and in distress. Them shouldn't make justice know them.
First round to the hard way.
Them know, them bird become the
yes.
Shouldn't make we know.
Alright then, yeah, yeah.
Persistent, so them die. Here is the reason why we not give up the fight. We kill a jump and feel life. See them now, them down and in distress. Them shouldn't make justice know them weakness. See them now, them bird become the yes, should don't make me know.
I like how some boy I move from the other day now.
Man goes na 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 yeah.
Ever ready? Some boy afraid for war justice. Yeah, yeah, man.
So tell them that
I don't like when they play. Pull up. Rhythm again.
man goes na 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 yeah. Yeah,
Sure. Miss I don't like Alice.
because the way you're playing is sickening.
I'm here to tell you.
And fight the youths of them out of the juggling. They call us lazy.
You see tonight in the F already, I can't tell them about it.
Sunday again. Yes, the justice don't kill us again.
Bombo clad people, me send a war on themselves.
This is the messenger. Where's the Jamaica General? Release Marcus in the house. Janil, Baratunde, that's splendid. Hi, Akaneta, Empress Makita, devices for the love. Way home, way.
All original foundation root boy. We know reggae music. We're not afraid of people.
Look it. But even though that
Bombo clad. Fireball in there. Eh? Fireball. The people them want to hear the tune.
this is a messenger. Where's the Jamaica General? Release Marcus in the house. Janil,
Yeah.
Baratunde, that's splendid. Hi, Akaneta, Empress Makita.
Sing name go hard.
Way home, way.
Hello, Senator, come on.
Big up problem Sean in the building.
Justice.
Kilimanjaro.
Release it to Benign.
Alright then. Yeah, yeah, man.
But even though that children may seem outnumbered,
Let me tell you something.
I'm good over evil every time.
Alright
Hey.
Sure.
And even when the children may seem all scattered,
Justice
come to
to
save mankind. We all
me say tonight I good over evil.
Place, man, them could never stop this one.
That me say.
Yo,
A real tune attack tonight.
Blaze up fire, blaze up and burn them.
You see that song in them justice. Mama tell about it.
Ethiopian salute to the king, yo. Justice a revolute, a bigger things, wow. 21 gun salute for the king.
All God bless. One hand in the air now. Yeah, yeah, man. Hey, like mountains round about Jerusalem. More clad. Ever ready? Ever ready? The party I go mad. Kilimanjaro and Justice are first for. Hey, let me tell you something about Jaro. I'm not afraid for telling you. From me a little boy, I grew. Me I listen Jaro. I'm a rate that sound there. I respect that sound there. But no way on fucking earth I can put Kilimanjaro over my sound. Me still respect that sound there. I don't know what I talk about. That dance and him go hard.
Justice Crew. Yeah, man. All up Florida.
Ever ready?
This out with the dance I got father. See? I don't know. A rough next song. Hear this. Ever ready? Justice, you know, say this bad sound and the dance.
Ever ready? First round, father boy.
Justice, are you a star of the show? You have to choose. I'm with the number 3. Justice, I feel your sound in a category. I'm with the number 4. Killer 100 and 100 more. So whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah.
Problem shot. Problem shot.
So yeah.
Me brother.
Never know who them man can this. I chat about them 9 welcome and kiss. But Justice can we don't feel the sound. Man a bad man. Man better angle of a angle band. What Justice, you just killed that sound.
Should never make me get violent. I kill him in 29 style. Cross, no mercy. You know it's well on the head of state, glad here.
What a real bad man, them they know.
Justice got no giant lordship, no giant church, disrespect them.
What up?
Boy, like they don't get me out of. Mercy, mercy. Cross, angry, got no rebel. Justice, why you go dead?
Somebody tell Jaro no.
Why you go dead? Tell them no give me an argument. Kill me, come to kill. Justice don't make statement. We'll see what we are with the law.
Don't be nice. You know you're strong when you go off the river Island.
I don't see him go hard. Let me tell about it.
This ain't no sunshine when it's on. Only dark clouds every day.
What a real talk someday.
Ain't no sunshine.
Jaro no push over. What a bad man son.
It's gonna be gone.
Justice no push over.
Fade away.
Make some pussy no.
Clear up again, you feel here. I anytime I feel like them can't part the warrior. You know them are gonna run up in that pussy wall. Let's try something. Let's try something pussy wall. Oh look at pam. Lord boy no powder man. Any boy says quick pam. Justice you no powder man. Just hold on.
Try boss this. You know this, man. You know some sound still down the chairs, you know. Yeah.
Father Bud. Father Bud. Do something for me, brother.
So call the years because one more dead again.
Yeah,
just to sing to them.
God, the years
because they mix up with the wrong friend. Me want know from when.
Sure.
God, the years I saw them mother shouting out and ball a chat about them gun town. If them never disrespect, them wanna go dead after all.
Back them know no fabulous. Yo.
First you come and tell me how you bad and wicked. Say are you a bust the big one?
No, that's so not
and the boy can't do the farm, bring up the theater. Say a thing stranger.
But me introduce that Sonia.
Alright, Justice.
Two new people.
Tell them we are bad soul from we are go a pussy clad cold. No time at all, we never left for pussy clad toll. Enough time we friend and say for pussy clad cold. They can't bad up Justice when a pussy clad fall. We are good man from we are go a pussy clad skull. No time at all, Justice left for pussy clad toll. Enough time we friend and say for pussy clad skull. Can't bad up one wait time and a pussy clad fool. You this Justice boy you want go pussy clad head. Some copper shot in your pussy clad.
All of the man that got dance from long time I know a good tune. No real music. Listen to me now.
Let me do some pumping thing, man. Passing it's raining tonight. Cause Justice is deadly. Alright.
Yeah,
hear me.
Ready?
Well now, again now. Cause Justice come again now. Again now. Hey. Some operator boy, them getting confused.
Oh!
Them rise against the
Some original rubber dog style.
Let it go. Hey, yo, hello.
The virgin problem, Sean.
Niggas should know.
Boy, I don't know, you know. Unroll it down.
If a punk thinking bad run up in a me nozzle, all of mine come from me, they turn him in a frazzle. Cap a shot them a go get from today back to tomorrow. All of me gun them a buy not one me down barrow. Underestimate me, how you borrow. Justice them go hold you, how it a go go. Man clad the Haskell and Rinch the
Justice DJ.
Easy Justice.
Yeah, know.
I said them say me with me gun and them no runner. Them say me with the gun and them no runner. Lunatics hide the gun, they in a man.
All who not afraid of pussy will rise the gun on them no
Justice them murder that. Murder that, that's that dove cut me tell about murder that. Murder that, I put it down gunshot me tell about murder that. When I go on till the side. Sit down. Well, Mr. Justice, you've been through hills and valleys. And survive out of the old gangster alley. Some gunshot, the juveniles skip and dally. When them think we dead back in the jungle in the rally.
Me hold them man.
Pop it off.
Boy, go smash
me rip off.
Sure.
Where you get your friends?
That DJ, you're dead and gone. Real bad man DJ.
Them know, sir. These are the tunes that bust the place big. Tune like a them now will continue live. When you hear the tune, them spin roll like gig and grandma going off. Cause this is what they truth. But them a tape, we don't talk and them wash out. Justice man.
Original.
Kill them all and come back alone. Original Burubantan. Again. Justice.
Original.
Never talk about me brown, judge I know say me black. Me slim, me tell them Burubantan no fat. Me DJ fi ball head and dreadlocks. I carry me wigs but inna me diamond stocks. Favorite color that a yellow and black. And when me go a show, yes we sit down in a box. Show where we watch Star by Silver Fox. We better than this thing out of a galawas. You trouble raw, why you say you won't forget shop. You hang a man, you hang him high in a tree top.
Boom,
don't get up a justice too.
Every time and all the while, man. First round. You swear me, so listen to me. Now play that problem. Last rhythm, 5 tune on it. Listen me, ever ready? It's all about it, you know, to the hard way. Dub plate exhibition right here tonight. Check it out. All original man will love music. Sister Kalanji.
Yo, a justice, you know, for black people, you know. Yeah, so many more people, you kill, you rape, you rob, you loot, yeah. You torture, you lynch and plinch. I said to break down the prison bars, them right now.
Pick up all of the gangster, them.
Jailhouse right now.
Rest in peace, Benji.
I live in level 7 people in prison. Anyway,
all original gangster, yeah, yeah, bro.
The sound tell them, bullet not turn back sound, boy, afraid that gunshot we tougher than rougher than the whole of them where you come charge. Bullet not turn back sound, boy, afraid that gunshot. Okay, man sound cop killer, that's how you win the thriller. Show sound boy from now for them pillar. Some rascal gun we gonna use a lock down the scheme of the filler. People who don't come see ya.
From 1994 me I build that sound.
It's a straight dance song, this some man. Cause then if I pop a magnum man and lick them from all 100 yards on a 6 months man. Load up.
Rami Kid, Shabba Rankin.
That's how we love, you know. God of his mercy. People them better take out on a kerchief, take out on a rag, galang, 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 galang. Jump up, jump up, jump up, jump up, galang, 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 bad. God of his mercy. Me just love justice sound bad. Love justice sound bad. Yes, me love me love justice sound, but me just love justice sound bad. Love justice sound bad. Love me love justice sound, but because me mama send me go to church. Praise God. Me look for me mother say mama me you must say mad. Justice in a dance and galang bad. Me have to take out me kerchief. Me have to take
justice in the building. We're not afraid of no sound.
It's all on the ghetto garden. Hey,
no sound.
It's all out in the building. Hey, now, a gun wielding. Anyway, tell them walk kill justice. Tell them to come. Them run out and look how long me kill them.
No sound.
Black gunshot, the ladies will come down. Up why you got it.
Let me tell about that sound, you know.
Or some rascal done we up over them. We'll on the same thing with justice, so nothing.
Well, oh, that loves one.
Like a murder, you anyway. And the same thing with Jacksonville, they say.
Well, Florida crew, them a
murder, punk in the alley.
with the gun in the
Big up my friend called Juvenile.
Grand finale.
9 Mile and Bomber, all the time by the files.
Jaro!
I never want hold the gun without the gloves up and justice stand.
Jaro!
Inspector fine fingerprint on
Juvenile. And we 3 years later, I'm not give a fuck. Yeah, yeah, man.
We don't give a damn. We shot on in front of station.
Out of Kingston, Jamaica. Kilimanjaro.
Good night to everybody in the place right now, seeing car. Long time Jaro no come bout them place, yeah. And we come here tonight to play tune to please the people, you understand? Big up Justice Sound, car. We don't know still, car. There's some war thing you boast, but we don't really come here for that. I come here to play music for the people, them. Making a full joy in yourself. And play Jaro music and give you your money's worth tonight. That me I say. See it? So, because I know war thing, that not means to make you play music and go hard same way. You understand? So music I go play tonight, but let me show you how big man play dance and start up dance the right way. So big up all who love God right now. Problem shot in the building, Jaro, turn on.
Take with me a spiritual journey.
There you go.
As we journey on the Kilimanjaro sound. This acapella will be played only by Kilimanjaro sound. This has always been the foundation sound.
Here's a yellow stone. Big up the address. Stitchy, big up.
There you go. Glory, hallelujah.
Early thing.
Bless my soul, oh child.
All who love God right now.
Oh, Most High God.
Yo!
Glory be to the Most High God. Hallowed be thy name. King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to him dominion, power and grace. Through all the years and years to come, you still remain the same. It's me again.
Godfather of yours, Lucian alongside Mikey General, the great duo. Ricky Trooper.
Justice, with the bass line there. With the bass line there.
Playing by Kilimanjaro.
Whoa! There you go!
Jaro, we are going to open the mouth to say, come here, King David's offspring.
With the bass line there. Justice, justice.
Come here, King David's offspring. Yes,
well, I know.
Open the mouth to say, come here, King David's offspring.
Yeah, some people nowadays smile in your face. I want to plan your behind your back more time. Tell them.
Then some work on by the morning, boy. Can't come good in a evening. Well, all the things them are going with, boy. Jaro's on a watching for money.
Early.
Jah go show them a sign. You sinful son, boy. In this time, whether you deaf or you blind, you have to repent in this time. Jaro's on a carry the world. Must have to travel the road.
I mean, I lie. Me alone come down play Jaro song tonight. I want to tell about Jaro right now. You know what?
Positively clear. Some son boy in the world and let's see them top class or them gonna stray. Or about them every day. That them no love so conspiracy. Talk truth and never fair. Positively clear. Some people in the world and let's see them top class or them gonna stray. Fire upon them every day. That them no love so conspiracies. A Jaro come with trot this one away. Sound boy I melt way. Yeah, yeah. Them 50, 60, 70 sound boy, we slow them up.
I'm gonna say me play a tune tonight, you know what?
Yes, Jaro's gonna kill a sound boy. And I've got 2 tickets to get you there. Maybe we can make a deal, Jaro. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, Jaro got nothing to lose. Maybe we can kill a little sound boy. Cause Jaro crew, we got nothing to lose. So remember Jaro was playing
One thing we can't tell about Joe, we are the emotion of the world, missing out with an apology. More time, what's some wife in the world?
Some my pocket is empty, no money to buy, no.
Early thing.
And darkness is hungry.
Sample, me I take me time, man. Now what you there,
when Jaro is playing,
more volume on the mic now, please. Justice, turn up the microphone now.
Some boy is crying,
yo,
cause he's about to fall.
Where you go?
Jumping summer just back and run away.
One tree,
don't you know that Jaro lead the way? Jumping summer just back and run away. Don't you know that Jaro?
All of the people on your heart clean right now. You know what, road boy.
Listen. Leave out to Babylon and I come back to Zion. Sleeping every day, but still you can't pray.
Early thing, man.
Leave out corruption and
we not rush nothing.
Why you want to be? But with the Babylonians, we all have got to give account for Jaro sound. Yeah. Cause if they try to test you, surely show you down. God made Adam, and you know he created Eve. Hey,
why God?
These things won't change.
Yeah.
If only a son would believe so.
Pull up, me not lie, you see tonight, it's not a regular dance, you know. We come here tonight to play a tune for please the people. A long time in the age around them place here. See it? I mean, I got cheating. I come here tonight to give you full money's worth. Tune for your money. That me I say right now, see? So right about now, our courtesy the youth them called Sanchez. Tina called, we love God, we put God first. How you go?
Only thing that remains. Sit high and looks low.
Yeah, man, a Jaro, king of rhythm and blues. How you go? Problem, Sean, turn on. Yo!
Oh, I lift up my hands to Jaro.
Yo!
Cause he made me strong. Jaro, you put food on my table.
Why God?
Yes, and in my heart a song. Kilimanjaro, I love you so.
Yo!
Jaro, I need you so. Sing along. Hallelujah. Praise his name.
Yeah,
hallelujah.
Yeah,
the highest praise. Hallelujah. Night and day. Hallelujah. Praises for Jah, both young and old.
I'm going to come out tonight for feature tune right now. Our current solution and challenge up the mic. Here you go.
The fool says in his heart,
there
is no God.
In him first round.
But she's blind and cannot see.
Big up all my Brooklyn people in the building to Ace Stitches.
It's the Lord.
Who are the archers? So say it.
Fullness thereof.
Storm Force Crew, Isaac. Cosmic Family, big up. Here you go. Yo!
Many will say that Jah is asleep.
Them tune up to play tonight, me not lie.
I don't know we got.
Big up my general friend anyway, I'm done easy.
Jah is alive, he's alive. Cause I feel the love of my soul.
Yo.
He's alive, cause he makes them belong. Jah is alive.
Yeah, man, Lucian and Charlie Chaplin. Let him Charlie Chaplin, how you go?
It don't mean it.
Yo.
Picture up, he carry no feeling. There ain't no meaning. Papa Jaro, he carry no feeling.
I mean, I lie, see?
Yeah, bright and.
They say tonight, me not coming for war, you know. Big up Justice, them a boost for me, don't know.
Touchdown in a some serious ring.
You hear me say no?
No, if you do and praise Jah, son.
What my kid general there?
Any pole fit.
Mr. me not coming for war tonight, but turn on war.
Jah be love. Come Mr. Chupa, they are.
Rude boy, how you go?
Oh,
Me not coming for war tonight, but you know what me saying?
Yeah. Jah know when I go stand up in the way of sinners. I stand up in the scene of the scornful. Because the light is in the Lord. Who meditate on the night time. Jah when I go stand up in the ways of sinners. I stand up in the scene of the scornful.
Love Jah, you live here till you die. Jah! Rastafari, I listen last to the first.
Everybody will love God right now. How you go?
Oh well now.
You know what?
Every nation. Every nation.
Come on.
Every nation.
Jaro, tell him.
If we do wrong, they complain. Even if we call the Father's name, it's to say what they want us to do.
Them tune have to play tonight.
They know this is nothing new. Why won't they do what they want? Let me do my thing, you should be thankful. The lights of both that are still shine.
We're on K-put on the rhythm now.
Shine.
Earn this song. Hey!
Try to be humble, cause blessed all the meek.
Why God?
Don't boast on your brother, though he might be sleeping on the street.
People have said tonight is not a war dance. That wasn't the arrangement. I come here tonight to play music for please. Oh no, that me I say. Big up Justice, them a boost war still, nothing wrong with that. But I jar this name, Kilimanjaro, King of the Blues. You know what?
Boy, if it is Marcus, then you must bind the dust. Rights and justice, that's what he taught us. So if it is Selassie, boy, you go and die. Emperor Selassie, you guy, this man, gone down hell. Every knee shall bow, and every tongue shall tell them. So no for them I walk with them evil spell. In a corruption, no for them all as well. I am low places where them with.
Bad man wheel, pull up. Me like it. You know what? Because I'm in a good mood tonight. I'm in no Jordan at class sites own. Me feel like show up and play some blood clot throat. Hear that song, yeah?
Yeah! Blessed is the one walking in the council of the
keep on a gun and silk again.
On the seat of
early.
Yes, a Kilimanjaro.
First row.
So you are the prophet and the praise. You keep on gun and silk with the world. I wait for rhythm track.
Justice, your record?
Said be that.
That's a record, right?
Yeah,
alright, good.
Rastafari.
Bullets and rules and red were all living.
Big up me General Freddy anyway, I'm done.
He's the prophet, my brother.
And you know what?
Yes, now. Give ear to my words, Lord John. Consider my meditation. Hearken unto the voices of your little ones, O King of salvation. My voice shall go here in the morning. Reason so while I am calling slave. I'm tired of being a slave.
Keep on talk to them now.
Them teach if we beg and go paro. Give we all call for make we inside hollow. Give we cocaine for make we smoke and paro. Give we gun for leak out we one and brother marrow. Marcus a prophet and me not stop say so. Heaven in the sky.
Them a boost water tonight.
So we are
up for their business done.
Not stop say so.
Jara King are them a boost. Tell them.
Stop say so. Where we sing say. All them a go like them good so. Let them no respect the Kilimanjaro. You know ask them. All them a go like them good so. Let them no respect the youth and from the ghetto. Ask them, how them are going like them good so. Where some is I say?
They said the dance wasn't planned as a clash. And them a come here and try to start war, you know what?
Son boy, tell them go clean up your heart and come. Yo, you cannot put corruption to you. Go clean up your heart and come.
Early
hypocrite amongst yourself.
Juggling dance.
As that can go.
Big up all the ladies in the building too.
Yo, you cannot
put soon play some tune for making a pussy jump like bullfrog.
Clean up your heart.
No man to me thing. All of that.
Judgment we go.
Why not sizzle business?
Them have them one bag of riches and them idol bad. Yes, I get to youth and treat the girls them like fago. Pretending to be when them not me know them I club. Device and evil mischief. So me don't say things bad. Get to you stay in a gang and get to girls stay in a mob. When you tell the get to youth about it.
I miss them come out tonight to play some Rash Road. Long time Jordan there. You know what? Road boy.
Kilimanjaro sound boy I wonder how we do this and go with it and angle. Preacher prophets but as relax get longer. Them heart it a twist. No spread no propaganda cause them two promises some pagan I wonder how you do.
Big up my Liberty family in Brooklyn to easy.
The prophet
Love Star Crew, big up
longer. Them heart it a twist.
Easy stand force.
Yonder.
My God.
La miss when
yo
combination with no business how this a baby son boy. This is better do no man no better than the man you well. So me gonna go come in your attention too. Them hating you, hating me. Just can't go to them heart no clean nor free. Remind them so much.
Like me say my people tonight is not a war dance, you know. I come here tonight to play a tune for please. Oh no. I want to spend big money for a big tune player. I ain't have problem, Sean. I know you pan Jaro. Come here tonight to represent and play Jaro music. That me I say. Say it. So all tune like them and me I play right now for represent my son. How you go? Squares. How you go? That's it, ching. How you go?
Jaro be there around there and them life. Worse good and queer them be all with them sight. So
early.
Just do as they like. Early. Some is just to flesh them want to with them fork and knife. Some don't care their heart is like ice. Waiting to see you fall to holy. Kilimanjaro. And I if them know how to flex.
Big up Michael, big up Bolo too. He's a problem, Marvin. LA. Big up yourself.
Well,
listen right now.
I don't know about the ins and outs. You tell me about your band, you just have bad with your mouth. You have it about to serious. But
you don't right.
It's too much on your body.
Leave me, baby.
This is now about the ins and outs.
Me not play no song yet.
Your band, you just have bad.
Half an hour me have money for.
You have it about to see.
First show, let's turn up play it early.
If I
say justice,
it would leave you amazed. Take some dirty moves, I'm gonna tell you what you saw. This the girl yesterday, first thing your blood Sarah. We know this woman cause every day and then we war. I day, you look like a bad man where we draw. We a boy, we have the tool and yet still we flex cool. Just say no make the wicked.
You have only past son in the world, me not lie. Kilimanjaro, the baddest song, me say that without apology. You know what?
Jaro a tough sound, bad sound boy, you're suffering. Couldn't take quick round, hold like them. In tough sound, good sound boy, you're suffering.
Version, reality.
Run the system.
Yes, lad.
They're not only gonna use gun from rubber the street every day and night. Then I'm trading as them turn me out and that's a happy everyone's stripe. No about be too late for the free by chance and we keep all alive. Well, Jaro a pop off them stripe. Me tell you, tough sound, a bad sound boy, suffering. Who can the punk sound.
Big up the family to my team, Muppet Freddy.
Good sound.
Big up Papa Char, the real thing, the team business start out, you know what?
Well, yo, real Kilimanjaro, real Babylon, you are the unreal. Me I tell
you,
heal the black nation gets healed. The poor right bust the sepal seal. Me I tell you now, deal sound boy in a wrong deal. Who can hear I go feel? Real. Get to you no bother. Steal righteousness me up. When them a grab on party, I them one time back. Them not see.
I'm say tonight is not a war dance. I didn't do justice. Them a come here tonight and clip on me name. For what? Ask them.
Jaro, them offend you and them know them shouldn't try. No give me no excuse when they take hard away. A skull guy. Needless to say no more when some of this skull fit. Boss, me see you no more. Jaro, you scared them. Some guy if he dead you hate him. Ricky Trooper villain fi play him. Make a guy know we not save him. This Jaro and Madden take him. Not no leave ways and no go note him. This is a trend.
In life, anything me do, me involve mighty God. Without God, nothing is possible. You know what? God bless.
Lift up the name of the King, friend. Then let your name be lifted up also. Rise up the emblem, make it flow among them. Then you receive a good vibe and they blow.
Me say all the people in the building right about now say praise God.
Then let just
when that sun and shine and rain and fall right about now.
Rise up the emblem.
When the God bless them there, how you go?
Then you will
turn on Jaro.
Let me hear you say King Jaro sound I say come let me hear you say come let me hear you say so let's be my God.
Me don't know where justice I try. Big up yourself, see me, but tell you what.
Oh, back in town.
Me don't know where them I try.
Listen. Many did try to test the Kilimanjaro, yeah.
Yo!
Many will try, but I know they're doomed to die.
Problem Sean in the building.
Some fool went to the bank, withdraw all their
Kilimanjaro, King of Rhythm and Blows. Them can't go round that.
To throw the
what do they
down, yes. But Jaro just play dubs, have the one dance so jumping. Rock you from now till the morning sun comes shining. Jaro just play dubs and have the world dance so jumping.
Them a come boost war tonight on a clash dance. But I want to clash right now. Yeah, me say no.
Come and say so no absence. I be selected with the behind it. Stand on. Do it. So no absence. I be selected with the behind.
Them should have to play.
Here it is. This Jaro, you want for fit, you want for fit. Test Kilimanjaro, you want for fit. Fit. Test Kilimanjaro, you want for smart. Test Kilimanjaro, you want for smart. Well in the morning as I rise, put on my trucks to an exercise. Jaro music make me fit.
Me I just make a speech, said Jaro.
It's not the highest mountain. We are the highest mountain in Africa. You know what, road boy?
I climb the mountain.
You feel no?
Swinging the deepest sea.
Walk.
Searching for my Samuel. Kilimanjaro sound to play for me. Is it taking so long for sounds to pack and go home? When we they learn that it's the gyro and get burned. Kilimanjaro shall rule the stands when he gets his turn. We never lose, cause it's the Father's road we choose. Those times may come around, gyros and we throw them down. Yes, we never lose, cause it's the Father's road we choose.
I hear Jaro originate. Me come from Brooklyn. I'm a first time come at Jacksonville tonight. You know what the road boy, remember?
No sound boy can't screech. You grants nobody and Kilimanjaro sound. No way. Them just can't screech. You grants nobody and Kilimanjaro.
On a clash dance, I play some music.
So me say, can't screech. You grants nobody and Kilimanjaro sound. No way. Them just can't screech. You grants nobody and Kilimanjaro sound. And so me say, keep your friend them at the show. They say me trip why I
a long time I don't hear Joe around them areas. A long time I not cheating. Tune for the money. You know what, road boy?
Trying to say hello and I joke.
Early.
Trying to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's scary. Kilimanjaro.
Big up the boss. Anywhere Papa Joe, anywhere I'm Todd. Hey, see tonight.
Don't you me tell some people say no feed down with fancy. Come in the next morning. Pick up our fence, my done clean. People up above it, curtain looking clean. And they look them and look Kilimanjaro. We now mind them and we know we come to get it.
Big up to the man in the building right about now. Say end time war start. They can't defend themselves right now, Roddy.
Kilimanjaro don't play.
Yeah, some man know what they same time war start. For them gun now fire. With Jacksonville, Batman them there. Hoiga! Yo!
After all that said and done, what do you think we're run? Might as well uno get on the gun. The bugger talking, wicked walking and a beat up on the gum. No move, we get on the gang and come. After all that said and done, what do you think we're run? Might as well uno get on the gun. The bugger talking, wicked walking, a beat up on the gum. No move, we hurry get you up. Rub and the champion standing on the front. You has been talking, dance and miss from.
I'm gonna say tonight was in a range as a war dance. And I'm gonna come and boost war. I don't know what I go and sing. You know what?
Want it, champion?
You see tonight?
I jump and try to play the gyro, but he got an old TM motive. Oh, what a shame. I jump and try to play the champion, but he got an inferior motive. Personal gain. But try to play the champion, but he got an old TM motive.
Big up all my nice and decent ladies in the building too.
I jump and try to
soon play some tune for you.
At an old TM motive. Personal gain. Sorry for my dog, son run it you. Jump out a frying pan and son while you are lying in a fire. Oh Lord, I wonder what it
is. Hey, Kilimanjaro with them King of Rhythm and Blues right about no road, but remember. Hoiga!
Jaro, you big and bold, troop up them in a control. See massive and never know. Though the player can't roll, save them soul. And a son them figure. Still I see you big and bold, so Jaro put them in a control. See massive and never know.
Some boy if you know themselves, them can't dissociation. Remember?
I too, but tell them this. Yo! Tell them it's a rocky road. The road is so rough. A rocky road. The road is so tough. A rocky road. The road is so.
Them tuna after player.
Yeah, trooper.
Treading this road for the longest while we carry enough of them walk the soil.
Treading this road for the longest while. Never you try papa fall another man coil.
Treading this road for the longest while.
Bad well.
Yeah.
You want me play it back?
You try.
Me respect foundation. I play the tune back. How you go?
See I
play it back.
And I saw Emperor send it from the east.
There's a justice.
Emperor Alistair said first most side.
And Yellowstone, big up the archers. How you go?
I trooper,
make them know.
Tell them it's a rocky road. The road is so rough. Rocky road. The road is so tough.
Problem sure.
Rocky road. The road is so.
As if Freddy.
Road. Yeah. The trooper.
Treading this road for the longest while we career enough for them.
Big up ball on the warrior chest, says it.
Treading this.
You like chick, big up the eye chest, so you say it.
Try, Papa.
Stand Force family, big up the say.
Treading this road for the longest while.
Long time trooper and him no stop till the soil.
Treading this road for the longest while. And give a
Bad man Kilimanjaro play right now. You know
I don't better now. Judgment, trooper killed.
No well. Them can't beg we no pardon.
And them they face them go hard.
Trooper double it. You know them are no pardon. When them see we like a flash garden. Well again, them can't beg we no pardon.
And them they face them go hard. Salute the youth. Up on some fire.
Early thing, problem shot a player.
Like a flash garden.
Baseline.
Well again. Well it no make sense you run.
What that?
Head back a print pan. Jaro gun. Emperor Selassie I send we come. Nuff get to you to hold down in the slum. Give them all cool.
Pull up. You see tonight, me not lie. Like me say, long time Jaro no come out them place here. So me come here tonight to play music for the people I'm seeing. Me I give it a good old tune we remember from long time I bust Jaro. Me I give you some new tune. Me I'll give you some tune when Jaro did have lock on the back so you never hear Jaro play before too. Cause problem shot me name. So me deal with things, I see it. So right about now, in come the musical thing called Singing Me the Alongside Loki Day. Hear the juggling, how it go?
Jaro! Oh, we're going hide and chrome. Ricky Cheaper, kill off a seat and left a village in moan.
All that thing, first row.
Boy, just lose them and grown. That body on the streets side laying down in form another word and not a single song. Wicked man Roman said, Luke, D will take the girl in on shopping spree and singing melody girl in candy. Murder them, father.
Big up the man of our girl I'm left right now to Road Boy. No man to me take.
Wicked Trooper.
Woman miss him more times. So you know what?
What am I telling man?
Ladies.
No, the last time we don't come back.
Yo.
When we kill a soul boy. But listen to Kilimanjaro all night long.
Boy, God.
If not, I want the whole thing back. To make that jump and cross so I can come free. Won't you, Jaro, and let me murder some boy.
Baseline Jaro.
We play good loving, dubbing, rocking, knocking dubs all night long. Hey, and murdering sound till we die to the break of dawn. But oh, come on.
Mr. Big up Justice, so can't fight them. I can't fight ambition. Kilimanjaro is the top soul. And we have the crow. I can't fight a man for throw rocks at the throne. Nothing wrong with that. I am Jay-Z. And you are Jim Jones. I don't know, listen tonight.
Every sound got their eyes on you, Jaro.
Come on!
Trying to figure out how you play.
Them tune off and play.
Yeah.
Yo!
I heard them say that you were talking down. And I just gotta let them know, Kilimanjaro, you are the defender of a straight line.
None of mercy, I'll do shit to clean up. None of mercy. Kilimanjaro riding west. No guy can test. Chop, all the West was one. I know big gun, miss enough of them don't know what one. This wicked man, all the West was one. I know big gun.
When we bad man friend them there, how you go?
And this Kilimanjaro riding through the desert, we riding well mean. We no left the Pinchester water, you know we can't feel. We close look, not this smell mess up, look mean. Up and trooper, Eddie's Williams and Beverly. Any figure that we see is gunplay on the scene. Indian, come down from all tribe. As pretty as my woman be, she me nah go hide. Me go go.
Me say tonight is not a war dance, but me I go hard same way, member.
Well, hey, now them dead, them mama ball charo, them call loose argument Peter, long story pop. Boy see me gonna pose up like a wall. In Medina go lip out like a, you could have big or small, could have long or tall. This Kilimanjaro, you big it gonna fall. And your mother we cry, and your daddy people, we not take a stitch, might as well.
Me say me not come here for war tonight, a juggling dance, but you know what?
Tell them.
You know what?
Watch ya, big gonna glisten like a looking glass. Pussy say the word and make the war start. Some man get woke, me ballers have to start. This bye to your life, you is a dead bumbo. The ball boy, yo, pussy like and down the drain. Big gun is and to make people in pain. In the gym.
murder pussy fi not. Ninja big up anyway the papa.
Justice line up.
Me look at them and tell them. Watch ya, big gonna glisten like a looking glass. Pussy said the word and make the war start.
Why God?
Some man get woke me ballers. I feel start kiss bye-bye to your life, you is a dead.
That one your name.
Big ball boy, yo, pussy life and down the train. Big gun design to make people feel pain. Oh yo, boy, all of the thing, you know. I'm a banana belly, you start ball.
I'm gonna send me a play my song tonight, Kilimanjaro. Anytime me play my song, you know what?
Hey, oh what a joy. Jaro sound just lick down a sound boy. None can destroy. You think a dung them a take through puffy toy? Oh what a joy. Jaro sound just lick down a sound boy.
Them should have to play.
Destroy.
Problem shown in the building.
But that's it. Let's see I fit out.
That one your name.
Come at me show them up for the big come and say the calamity where I come. That is the earth and the fullness are rough like antigen none. I've got no money, never put money in abundance, food it a run. Them this Jaro sound and still a walk pan Jaja ground. Hey, I tell you, Jaro raining every season. Run go Axel, I say I feel know that.
I'm gonna say tonight there's not a war dance. Music me come for play. Music I love, so you know a road boy.
Well on Jaro, love set me free, I'm gone. Oh, Africa, I wanna be. Come along.
The one you need, the one
and I will be the strength from your birth. Oh,
beautiful and justice.
And lovingly we strive on the earth.
Here you go.
Jaro are first. There's no pain in Jah love we have found. Oh,
Here you go.
There's no pain in Jaro we are found. Hey, Rastaman sound, you know. Yeah, man, pick up the woman them in another place and all the Gideon knew them.
Everybody will love God who they are right about now. Hoiga!
The crevices and corner.
That one your name.
Hear them side tricky tuba. Come on them out. Kalonji and Nasi.
Hoiga!
Yeah, praises Hail the Emperor. Selassie I your King of Kings. To a fullness have to express. Jaro them sound boy. The juggling praises Hail the Emperor. King of Kings. To a fullness have to express. Jaja that I own. Hey, go tell them say animal come exile Martin Luther this. A Jaro come here so pretty color you chick.
Me not boost no war tonight, but you know what?
No respect, disrespect. In all aspects, some sound don't know who them are dealing with them. Stop. Don't want them disrespect.
In all aspects,
them don't know who them are dealing with them. Stop. Ricky over one them. How we are God don't know life, I don't know. They don't know what see we are patrol out and do with the horses. How we protect, oh no life, I don't know. And
two to go.
We are patrol. Jaro is the boss, him own big man. Him run him own show and him no response is sorry. Or if you did no call like Alaska. In the time of snow, a boy this the program.
I'm a seminar teacher tonight. I'm coming to play music for Jacksonville people, you know what?
Jaro, you give them the dump, feed them money, yo, we kill him. And send a sound boy on them funeral journey, Jaro. The dump, feed them money, yo, we kill him.
And a war dance.
Boy, on them western journey. Then, well, this red that and red, do we all say, Jaro, up and run red, go tell them this.
Want to go.
It's up in a sound head. We all work by your Jaro, that he paid. This one got division. We got to bet, we see, say you and all the all that lie down in a bed.
All of my people don't say heart clean right there. You're not bad mind nobody, you're heart clean. How you go?
Well, super. Show them the way, teach them to be sanctified. Fireplace, I'm in a cool, nothing, no way. Strength and protection for I and I.
What?
The needy shall not always be forgotten. Judgment.
I mean, say, I will be yelling King Selassie.
I slew Saul and Goliath in the back.
Now what you need?
Strength and protection for I and I. Watch the judgment with Jaro, what tackle again.
Yo.
This is life, live and protect your own. Put on the car, to natural. Give me that nut some up.
Pull up that song now. One more time. How you go?
Give me that nut some up, hey.
How you go? How you go?
Well, super. Show them the way, teach them to be sanctified. Fireplace, I'm in a cool, nothing, no way. Strength and protection for I and I. The needy shall not always be forgotten. Judgment, I will be hailing King Selassie. I slew Saul and Goliath in the battle.
Go on.
Strength and protection for I and I. Watch the judgment with Jaro, what up.
That one your name, just.
This is life, live and protect your own.
Good never be right, keeping your black self
down. Then who catch fight when them hear Jaro sound. And it's right. Make sound boy up round super.
Yeah, me to pull up. Now play my final song. Let me say tonight it's all about pleasing the people. See? Big up Justice, the old Jacksonville family car. Manners, love and respect tonight. Me not lie. Long time Jarno come out the men's house, so we have to play a tune for please the people. See it? And our problem, Sean, they are coming out tonight to play a tune. Me not lie. See it? We travel all over the world and represent Kilimanjaro, so I want to make and tell about my son, with bad no blood clot roadie. Hear that show there?
Jaro, the tallest mountain in Africa, mountain of the moon.
Final entry.
Right. Now Kilimanjaro, the roughest sound of the world. I want to know that. I'm going to take back shot. Got it, successor. Oh, them Jaro. Oh, Jaro.
It's a Kilimanjaro song.
Tessia.
I
Kind. You're one of a kind.
Wow!
Take back shot. Got it, successor.
Again!
Oh, them Jaro.
As you stitching.
Oh, Jaro.
All of them Brooklyn bad them. I go.
No sound can test you now.
Turn on, Jaro.
Kind. You're one of a kind.
My God.
You're so divine. And I'm glad you are mine. Oh, Jaro, please never change.
Big up Michael up on the crew too.
Cause you're one of a kind.
Big up me old Jaro from the Papa Jaro Lounge. Tell me you know what? I know.
I've been to Morocco and Moscow and Tokyo, Jericho and down in Timbuktu. I've been to Paris and Rome, the romance song, Jaro, there's no sound like you.
Yeah man, pull up, me not like saying tonight is all about musical niceness. Right about now, with all due respect, Justice, what I say?
Enough things, man, we have to tell the people. Big up yourself, problem, Sean. I'm never tell nobody, say, we have no clash show here tonight. We tell them, so they dance them to the hard way. But me hear you complain. But you know, come and clash. My sister, you're afraid for clash Justice still, you know. Yeah, man, me see it. 1 hour and a ball, so him not come and clash. That sound here, I may own it. Harper own your sound. Harper tell you if you do, Harper can't tell Justice what the fuck to do. You see what I say? Go and ball for what you do. Cause the dance him to the hard way. That is the great Kilimanjaro. And if you don't think that Justice, I go come in here, sir, and I'll slap with that. You're mad now, bomb.
I may say our Justice. Them can't hide on the bust this. May I say our Juvenile.
Ever ready?
From I was a child. I'm never serious and never smile. I'm gangsta.
Jaro, you got blood clotless.
Juvenile, gangsta.
Make them know now.
This is what the Justice them is like.
Yo.
Roll out in the range and one time I ride my bike. I test it a girl it pussy tight.
Right.
I like the bad man dirty. I
tell the bumbo one now.
From them mother womb.
Me never tell nobody say clash a go on round here. The man a ball bout say him no come here for clash. The pussy afraid for war Justice.
You got a bad man thing right? You don't get it, you put more. Spoil it for the time, you creep off, yo.
Ever ready? All right then.
Them tying up some men, Justice I keep friends with. I got me here some boy I do. Pussy wifey why with the wrong set of
Yo!
Them got this man from Jacksonville, man from New York. Stop I say them.
This all some batty boy for them. You not afraid of no boy.
Hey.
Ever ready?
Justice not afraid. Shot some batty boy no. Justice not afraid. Them is that you are known.
This is Justice.
Yankee boss you go.
Big up Kilimanjaro. This is Justice.
Justice sound we no fight no for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. Justice can run with anybody, and no boy no better than we. No boy no better than we.
Problem Sean.
Can and say, gun
never got Africa yet.
Justice not in a.
Never see Jaro Mountain yet.
Something.
Do some man for post to us. I New York about.
What's them a penny me? Them attack, kill me enemy.
Yo!
Yeah. All them attack, all them attack, all no bad like we. Justice, them no bad like we. Justice.
Representing for justice.
All the people that want to say a bad man. To the hardware.
Hello, son boy. Good morning.
What?
Any pussy this justice, you now wake up when we call him. Gunshot in a face. Hello, son boy. You are got dead today. Matty boy, you got dead today.
Alright then.
We know no strange fears around. We are just always there. Justice, this and them blood clot them. Gunshot just squeeze pumpy. Violate rise up the eagle. You no love likes, you no frightened for money, your feet.
My friend, strange people.
We don't need you. Them protect the right.
My friends, strange people.
Yeah. You all our real friends know how the thing go. Parrot we work, no pull we get, come and knock power we win. Now we no hands are private.
Justice, my friends, strange
justice.
people. Yeah, hear me.
Hey, we know I no strange face round we. We know I no strange face round we. When they touch this, a couple girls and justice. We know I no strange face round we. Justice. As a little youth, I go school, them always say you no hear nothing. From them time they till now you no run.
To the hardware.
Justice, no boy can't bat you up, and that me know. Rush now grab you up, and that me know. No boy can't while you up.
How we a kill the floppy sound? How we go on the town? Alright, justice a kill sound everywhere. Yeah, yeah, no yes, so we burn up everywhere. Yeah, yeah, them boy they a clown everywhere. Some something only to not brown. Yeah, some my sound turn up everywhere. Yeah, yeah, justice a kill sound everywhere. Yeah, yeah. Some something
I never said them no bad.
Brown, yeah, some
them bad. And that's why I want to kill them.
Like yo, we no business who are we no business who are real to straight.
Problem shot, I'm still a look at him, my boy.
So we can't beat with us, why them off each other. So where we just see them the ones who know us for it. So we say when yam shit them down, he know me. Justice a the leader, not the sound man army. If you can't beat you, that's why them off each other. So where you was say them the ones in your story. Tell them the yam shit them down, he know me. Justice a the leader, in the sound man army. We say people that done every boy run the follow. One by one them start to power killer.
That's something I tell no man what for them.
Let's put together.
Justice for them. Youth!
Could we take this punk and say them a champion? We go and kill them, we counter rock-on. Justice to ride in west, some the ride our song. And a theater furlong. What a surprise as we are red pandilla Kutas who tribe. Winchester in a million were blocked on and start to fight. Sitting Bull and Chief Joseph, one can hide. Crazy ass and red cloud in a bush them.
Scenes killer.
I don't wanna be at the west side. The bumbo all them want come cry at man grave side. Alright, flick out them eyeball. Look now. Some boy if you know start gully got that baddest thing and say justice. All them attack. Man a stepper. Get shot them a play man. When the star boy walk. Man a stepper. Get shot them a play man. I coulda be, I coulda dark. I step past.
The dance name.
Shut them up play.
Do the hard way.
Boy out no chat.
Go hard and
no better.
Go hard and down.
Them bad like me.
Alright then.
I'm a say something I. Anyway. Gangsta.
I'm meant to tell you.
Yes. One them in Florida.
I know yesterday I took it. That's on your back.
Gangsta from Jamaica. We are no faker. Justice a full clip gonna step and run out. She saw you use and cut a fucking tongue out. Boy I hype with that girl where you done out. So we run out. Boy get gone out. Tell them you know man sick in a war. Bullet done. You like sick in a war. She start
to the hard way. Go hard and down. What them a do?
What them a try? Justice make Maro fly high into the sky. To figure no borrow, no.
You money.
Bye, a boy we die.
Justice for you. Let me tell you.
Justice.
Alright then.
Fuck them.
Ever ready?
I'm on the go. But bad man I try to stop you though. So no, I'm on the go. Equal rights and justice. Oh, you're so special. Oh, you're so special. We're special. That's why we chop with the 45 special.
Listen to already. Small axe cut, big blood clot tree.
Yeah, I'm gonna say justice, I'm gonna say juvenile. Rastafari is the ultimate. Hey,
Rasta.
Yeah. Rastafari never let us down. The King Selassie never let us down.
Alright.
This justice sound, the whole of them is going down. Yeah, man. Justice sound like this sound. Lock the tone, you know, you're telling us something. You're telling us something, you know, a long way about.
Jaro.
Juvenile.
Yeah, play like a Naya
Stay
baby.
on top of things, other things. This Juvenile and me crush them like rings. And I stay on top.
Big up Jaro, them coming here and play like a Naya Bingy dancer.
So make like a chick. And I stay on top of things, other things. This Marcus can't for them lose them links. And I stay on top of things.
Problem Sean, come tell about this. Come tell about this.
From you see your carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. We tell them justice, we are the champions. And none of the liquor
tell about it already.
Slew them. Me no business a who them. But me done them and them crew then. Alright, me say now what them. Slew them and their feelings in my career. Don't worry, they and them girls and them sorry. Slew them and their feelings in my career. Hey, justice, you want to do something again? So that one that them. Who them and could have what that them a try. This King Celeste, watch you all of them die. Who them and me go see them with them spell. This justice, I know them soul gone and hell, yeah. Who them and could have who them want cause.
To the hard way.
This I know them all bite it.
With a big friend from people.
Certain boy, we know want a friend from them. I pussy them, I big fast to them, think me what they know. And to be nice, go find out. I pussy them, I big fast to them.
Certain boy,
we know want a friend from them. I pussy them, I big fast to them, think me what they know. And to be nice, go find out. I pussy them, I big fast to them. Hey, justice, we not gonna laugh with people. Talk with people. Yo, you hear me? Anyway, that one not name.
No.
Your lifelong, but you careless with it. If you this justice, you shall surely lose it. Name. Your lifelong, but you careless with it. If you this the fireman, that one not name.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Murderation.
Justice.
Come again. Murderation. We not beg no friend. Murderation. We done the whole of them. Murderation.
To the hard way.
Well, we not gonna murder them. So we gon' dig off for them.
Jara justice. The party of man.
Murder them. Them and them side of my friend. Murder them. See them.
All right. Justice in the building. And bullets in the one neck. Motherfucking niggas bad at Juvenile. So long, but him and no one them around with. Once you read it, so them can get from on with. But him boy start come and stay trophy stone with. Justice the eagle and the act them surround with. One night come in no but him and now go go with.
Let's someone a play like Sanaya Bingy dance them come.
Can't see me visa.
What them juggling skill there?
Justice the eagle and the act.
Justice no afraid of soul. Tell some pussy. Ayapia.
One them bumper rasta.
Tell some boy Ayapia.
This man is dead.
One them.
Justice don't apologize to nobody, boy. If it is the woman, then we guns out the boy. Give me the one of the girl because of them about the joy. And the lake of fire with a boy. Justice don't apologize to nobody, boy. If it is the woman, then we guns out the boy. Give me the one of the girls because of them about the joy. So the man come around, get this. Oh! Black sexy girl, justice looking at. Fat pussy girl, that's who we pushing at. Sound boys, bow down, do one. Now to give this for
pussy. We is a batty boy for them. And we is a informer for them. Yeah,
we can't change.
Shoot.
I went boom bye bye, ain't no matty boy. How we not promote no matty man, never fit. Come make we boom bye bye, ain't no matty boy. How we not promote no matty man. Lord,
man no fit.
So go back, this up and only you in no baby. Go back and need a put my rope down no leg.
Seven the matty man, it was the instead.
Shoot them, never shot them.
Shot them. Jara, you have to the dance slide. No boring thing. No boring thing.
Pussy over there so them get gunshot regular. Running at justice and get killed regular. Now no big gun and come and look wall.
Then if forward in a war.
Wall. Pussy over there so you get gunshot regular.
We say we're not afraid of nobody. We defend with sword anyway. Tell Judas now.
Yeah. Enough son boy now go like that on ya. Just show them no say are them will do it. But show them a hypocrite and backbiter. That's why justice I tell them.
Them
go suck your mama.
Go on,
your mama. Go suck your mama.
Grab the kids.
Justice. We have a gun pound with. How we are gonna take it out. How we are gonna take it.
Pull up.
Justice. Real deep, you know. Niggas gotta watch on TV, yo, this shit ain't cheap. Yo, if I clip, I gonna make some boy leap. Yo, look at him, come and talk with that talking, you know. They're explaining killing if I killing a man from justice within. Even a juvenile, start the blood spilling.
If already,
Bridge.
We come for full joy with self.
Yeah.
The two sound of tune.
Tell a boy this.
Alright.
Tell me if you want the war start. And see bad man no kill off on no bomber clock. Just tell me if you want the friendship part. Tell me if you're ready for gunshot clock. Or ready for tear out. Tell me if you want the war start. Laugh on no bomber clock.
Problem Sean, why you say Problem Sean, why you say earlier? Why you didn't say again?
Son boy, justice come from murder. Ask you about steer off 1/3 of you. You know you're wicked and nobody never heard of you. Wow, wow, wow. Question.
Yeah, man.
Which gun and which gun justice them bust you man. Juvenile clap no plus.
Sure.
Addition just come.
Some boy you play like a Naya Bingy dance. Them come. What do some more? What do some more? Why?
Me sing, so not good dead and the world me a tell. Justice have a gun named Sin One Hell. This juvenile in a minute to fill. Get bullet in a yard, damage your brain cell.
But the world know.
Me gun them and you stand me like a perch.
I never justice, no one kill Jara. Jara no one kill justice.
Tell a boy, if him bad bedside juvenile shirt, you can split up a second, you must get hurt. You get gun down,
in the middle
of gun tongue.
And the blood clot soul. We don't give a fuck a who. Tell some look of pussy one. Yeah,
Jacksonville, Florida. Pull it. Man a bad man, so we no friend fish. Tell them a Teflon bullet, you take killing fish.
Somebody young you, but them not come to blood clot war.
Kilimanjaro 22 style.
What else that one?
Kill or be kill them steady talking till justice gun pop out. Have you ghost me bill?
Kill or be
kill them steady talking till juvenile gonna murder them. Alright. Murder informer and go live in a hell. Big Mark kill everyone, kill your friends still. Boys me gun all again chest fill. Turn off and big gun and them hit pies of hill. Kill it down in a broken blood over spill. So me and me big gun cannot draw nail.
Gun shot me no know. I King Selassie I play. I King Selassie I son. Who do them fool? What take them fool ya?
Who send them? Hearing them. We live a war then. We make it happen. We say me just tell. No take pardon. You play hard like you name Harden. You want your friend.
I true them attack when them say Jara all.
I know.
They play all.
So sing. Balls a piece when them can't win the war. Now them get what them been asking for. Them rank to start.
Enough sound man around here, so them nothing gonna go with justice to it.
Mr. Punk.
You know why them career done.
Well.
Done.
On all types in the sky preaching. Copper shot reach.
Mr. Wagwan.
Dead.
Yeah, we see it.
In this world to accept him. Justice to kill him.
We see it. We see it.
But mine I go kill them. I am about to go mad them. Tell every free of them conscience. I love all the justice children. Again, mine I go kill them. And justice I go mad them. Tell every free of them conscience. I love all the justice children. That one on your sound. You know feel grudgeful or you know feel endless. Your heart of it clean or you must not corrupt. You know the bed of corruption then you must not wrap up. In a certain congregation then you must.
I'm afraid of son and son me kill. Yeah, hear me ever ready.
Jacksonville man upon them.
Problem Sean, me afraid of son and son me kill. Stop you up, me never tell her for clash.
Alright.
Take this.
Yo, them not like we and we not like them. Them are we enemy and them no friend. Them not like we and we not like them. But tell them justice so we not beg no friend we come again. People no call the informer them we come again. People no call the backbiter them we come again. People no call the batty boy them we come again. People no call the sodomite them we have go burn out. And the informer them no too much informing and a cast for them we have go burn out.
Feel number one. Man, no listen to land. Original than Chicago.
Yeah, bro.
What now? Me kill a sound in the morning, kill a sound in the evening, kill a sound at a supper time, say justice. Kill them when we're lonely and we kill them when
damn tune exhibition.
Feeling fine.
One them.
Them is a dead blood clot and a dead bamba clot. Dead pussy clot and a dead rasta. Me tell them a dead blood clot and a dead bamba clot.
You know it's warlord, motherfucking niggas. You know I kill them in 24 different styles. Hey yo, those fools wanna get me wild.
Killer.
I'm a son boy for dead, me so make you go so dead. Cause justice them no care. Couple shot in on me gun a bust loud and clear.
Big up kind of page.
Well,
love son.
Them a friend them when them no
yellow
check
store.
Need me stuck me no head shoes, not no hollow body.
Hey,
boy, just can't go and flow. Hey, yo, you know it's justice. Hey, yo,
you know it's warlord, motherfucking niggas. You know it's war and it's only that it's justice.
Well, now you did your mama ball justice. Damn, you call loose argument picture. Long story Paul. Say me go gun and pose up like our hall. Get in the gully powder hut.
Alright then.
Boy, run come up in on me magnum ball. Walk up in on me shotgun well. This with me sanity now son. And you know.
Shut the new boy. Everybody on my top, they kick and celebrate.
Stop worrying thing, 4 to go.
All over here the justice, put up on one.
Alright.
Bang, bang, bang. All over here the justice, put up on one. Wanna hear me? Me tell about killing pussy and we kill them for fun. And killing that son boy and we kill them for fun. Follow me now. Killing pussy and we kill them for fun. And killing that son boy and we kill them for fun. Tell them 20 grand and justice them kill one. Tell them 40 grand and juvenile them kill one. And tell them 60 grand and take a shit them kill one. $250,000 and with us how they walk young. Put it up and dance it down. That they lion but I wanna tell me I'm the fourth and winner. Lay down second to the best. Put it up and come left it.
Justice to the
oh Lord have mercy. Sure. Well, from the boat touch land, that mean we there sure again. Machine in stock, that means we store them. Badness weak, them operation poor again. Check not badness, justice, man go kick. Alright. Make a drive by and we circle but for them. Now we circle back cause we don't know we sure them. Disrespect, yes, we not.
We'll show the people the war go on. Cause I know why you can whisper. My boss slide out the little shirt for my brother here, so. Cause he tell me say up and I want him play again. Up and I want him clash. Me never tell if he come play, me never tell if he come clash. We don't sell tune exhibition. You sell your tune, me I sell my tune. I know why you whisper nothing of me start the people.
People, listen, right? Cause are you bring it on the forefront? I was supposed to collect the rest of the payment. I didn't do so. Mr. Harper instructed me before I play to collect the payment. Because I don't want to disrespect Jacksonville people, I still played without collecting payment because I respect honor. You see me I say? But him tell me before me play again to collect the rest of the payment. At the end of the day, this is a business. You agree? All right. So with all due respect, justice do your thing. When you're ready, call me in. I'm there. I'm not leave.
I like that. So, my boss line out the money come, you're going to show you how to get your money. That's what I say. But I don't know Mr. Harper go like him broke and he hungry. Blood clot on our pressure. I don't know poor people. Eh? All the part their mind are money. People, I want to bear the weakness. He might go get him blood clot money. Come play your blood clot show. Charo.
You're funny. You're a comedian, you know that, right? If it's so easy to bring the money since you're boost up, bring the money. Come! Stop talking, bring the money.
It accounts right now, my boy. Stand up right where you're there. Could Count to see that your blood clot. Come play a tune for the people. Walleye. Tell the world so justice so Jara move like a pussy one. First him come in here, him no want to play no tune. Them go on like so when I play them. See it there. Yo, the money where Jara charge with. What on no? You see money where Jara tell me, call up and tell him say him no make it. Him no blood clot make back the money so him no fi go on so. I respect you do. We not broke people foot. Oh yeah do. Play your tune man. When I beg friend and my brother, play your tune. See you get your money then. What kind of complaint Jara have? Counting few people there, man. So me I tell you now, I love that sound from me and you to grow. I respect Jara. Harper say him no want no clash. Me never set it as a clash. Him not have no host. We don't have none of them things. But I don't like on style on a lame. Can come now with the one bag of little chung. Count your blood clot money. Yo, people. They'll play some tune because the post of them move lame too. They don't have no tune and that's why they might go on. So trick them a trick on.
Justice! Pull it! Tell him that's all and justice is walled up in here with juvenile. Motherfucking niggas you know, blood run like the river Nile. Should never make me get wild. Fuck with inside this child. None of mercy.
Hey, Jara, you get your money now.
Justice out.
Stop blood clot, come play. Come in, come dead now.
Them send it straight to justice and have the heart take it for fun. Them heart a go last, but they leave a ground and let them tell this life run. Could the mother?
Blood one. You get your blood money, come play now.
Justice, I heard some motherfucking niggas talking about scalping. Motherfucking niggas swimming like a fish like a dolphin. It's all out of the air. The juvenile, motherfucking niggas should never get us vile. We kill them for the kind, okay? The guy watch him speech and the words what him saying. Killer is here and justice sound willing. Which part them I go with?
You ever hear so afraid of any blood clot body? You know that you yap and I go on the most blood clot.
Justice! Me tell them go mile, go smooth. Bumbo will boy them finesse the attitude. Blood clot determine the altitude. One to them boy, treat them crude. One to them, yo!
The boy coming up, bitch, I come play.
Yo, man, we
got him troubling.
Pull on the seat, blood clot boy, pull over the half shoot.
See what I go on?
Pussy old boy.
The fuck I drunk.
Justice a killer, he one of them bumbo clot. Say them bad, them get it bad. He gun go tap. Call me name in a
you don't play. Where you got the people that want your Jaro?
Oh, it's justice, motherfucking niggas should know I got my guns and guts. Hey, yo, it's not just this. Hey, yo, hello, wonder.
Problem, Sean, you're a joker.
Motherfucking niggas.
You can't represent Jaro in all the art, yo.
Hey, yo, hello.
You know the heart.
Niggas, you know I don't smile from here. For the
so long you take for count the money.
Motherfucking niggas, you know.
Ever ready?
Hey, yo.
Tell some pussy.
That's my style.
No.
Justice for murder, them blood clot. Tell them no one your name blood clot. Go back and country.
Any boy will put money over blood clot people, them for blood clot dead.
Oh, it's justice, motherfucking niggas should know I got my guns and guns.
Them pussy that worship vanity.
Hey, yo, hello, wonder.
But tell us how the money I have to make down.
Fucking niggas, you know I'm violent. I kill different style. Hey, yo, hello. Motherfucking niggas, you know I don't smile from here for the next 6.
Jaro, you get the money where you drag out the dance for you.
Watch out.
Drag out the dance.
Yeah.
Come in. Bumbleclot. Come in.
Justice for murder, them blood clot. Tell them no one your name blood clot. Go back and country, go push a fat cat.
You still account. You see how the money enough. You see, say never deserve the money, do I? You still account. My respect get to you. Long time I tell you.
Yeah, I'm just making notes of the big sound justice. I don't know the boy can't fuss this, now cuss this. Big thing, man, I'm bust this. Anyway, I'm jumping out. I can't take a style. Let me show them. I don't know his style. Yeah, listen to that, the Almighty. Justice, I feel go burn them up.
Jaro afraid for coming.
Just
no seed for no cell.
Yeah.
No seed for no blood clot cell.
Many more will have to suffer. And many more will have to die now as the justice why.
Problem, Sean, you can't represent Jaro, yo.
The one that
now.
Say again. Bill no coffin and prepare to die. Who rise against the justice, they shall surely die. Bill no coffin and prepare to die. Who rise against the juvenile, they shall surely die. Where the eagle and the dragon.
Motherfucking niggas should know, run that. Hey yo, juvenile, motherfucking niggas should know. They should never try to fight. Hey yo, hello. It's Warlord. Motherfucking niggas are some more Lord. Hey yo, hello. Shut up, we Star Lord.
Big man, bad man DJ.
Justice skillful for no perplex. Them gon' help city and a nation we go down. Perplex the flex and make me get
problem, Sean. What you gonna do?
Sure get catch. Why got this up on top? No Teflons left them all at your top.
Read the faces of people. No murdering people. Jacksonville. Salute. A Mishabaran says so. Alright. Boss up all the gun them. Justice, keep them shine on Chris. A copper shot, who if he can ring in on a gun, make a boy turn purple anytime he
ready, yeah,
hard. Shoot ready. Now we don't shoot on this. Boss I bust.
Him build up the courage.
Hey yo, you know it's justice, but who should know?
Him build up the courage.
Justice.
Respect for the hard man anyway you're there.
I didn't even read that so wild.
Yeah, me know.
Not another word, we not go no further. Justice not talk, you feel get murder. Another word, blood run like water. Shut out my business, kill the
problem, Sean. You know, say if you never go at the dance with a better.
man treasure.
You're nervous, man. The sister, you're nervous.
Yo, I got a big man like Juvenile. And get him why? Man from Jacksonville, man from Florida, man from Tampa, man from Orlando.
Yeah, man.
Yo, we no afraid of no boy, and we not fear no guy. God of His mercy. Justice something, you know. Justice a good vibes, justice bringing them. Shabba said that, you know. Alright then.
Yo!
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, don't play tin swing. Justice swing up and ready to murder something. Ting-a-ling-a-ling, the champion playing. Justice
mighty justice. I'm a fuck.
Pull up. I'll play that one as the grand finale. Big up yourself, look, my youth. I'm gonna come here for this. If you notice all night, me not this. You're good youth, you follow what your boss say. Me hear what you say. But don't put money over people, youth, that not good. We are build blood clot vibes around here. Remember me tell you.
Well, this is none other than the big but mighty justice. I'm a 45 Haskell, I'm gonna go.
Jaro kill justice if your blood clot can.
You get your file, Jacksonville, Florida, Warlord on the hill.
Action speak louder than word. Yeah. Justice the talk, tell them to observe. Well,
stay that one talk, they talk.
Andrew Pong, you know.
The always on the hill.
Tika, you know. Bala, you know.
Action speak louder than word. Juvenile no talk, cause you also observe.
Hey, stay that one talk, they talk. Beat like off.
Body the rest on the end, they not. Better you dumb, why you shouldn't talk. If you wouldn't get a black a Latina, your heart empty down in red lines. Justice the talk, pop off and kill. Family bit miss.
No disrespect. What we say? Tune and exhibition. Jaro do anything you want to do. Me not really care.
Justice, you're a joker. No man, you're a joker. People, before me go any further, with love and respect for Jacksonville people, cause long time Jaro not come out. Before I collected the rest of the deposit, I played tune for honor, cause I respect honor. So all emphasis, me I put money over the people. Before you pay the rest of the money, me play for the people. So stop hype up yourself. Once again, this is not a clash dance. At the end of the day, the sound thing is a business. Seeing, intelligent people, that means I can't talk, I can't understand what I say. The sound thing is a business. And when you call Mr. Harper and tell him you want a date with Jaro, the agreement and the arrangement was a juggling dance. If you want a war dance, you must pay for your war dance. If that's your want, when the time and the arrangement is set and you spend the money, Justice and Jaro can't war. Because I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you. Are you a good you? I respect you. Are you your place? I love Jacksonville, because enough can there. You seen it? So, right about now, Jacksonville, me I give you a tune for your money right now. Here what go on. Here what go on now. Jaro on the building. Them tune have to play up. Nah, man.
Holy Emmanuel I. King Selassie I. Yeah. Rastafari.
There you go.
King Emmanuel saying a free waterway. 7 or 13 miles a ship.
I don't love Jaro right now. There you go.
King Emmanuel children, no. Kilimanjaro, tell them.
Now what you name?
Nice enough the dance, whoa, he that sound I get destroyed, straw yeah. Kilimanjaro and a Santa fraud, when I give the youths no guns with the eyes. Do you ever make a circle? No one Kilimanjaro dance before. Not to mention Portmore, see your hot sounds collaborate.
Blessed is the sound and the selector. We're willing to play them kind of music, yeah. Saying, well, this tune can only play by Kilimanjaro.
Yes, so me reach.
Saying, yeah.
Yes, so me reach.
Rastafari. Whoa, whoa.
All who love God right now.
God bless you, Jaro.
Turn on, Jaro.
Jupiter.
You know what?
Hey, well. Make a joyful noise. Make a Rastafari.
Why?
Whoa, whoa. God bless you, Jaro.
make it super tough. Yeah, well, make a joyful noise. Make a joyful noise. And to the Lord he brought.
We said tonight on a war dance, tell them.
Son boy, don't put your hat where you can't reach it.
Oh, go!
It doesn't make no sense. Good thing.
Let's say pull up that tune, pull up that tune. I come to play music tonight, but I don't know where you that depart.
Yeah, man, legendary Junior Murphy.
I don't know where depart.
Me say that.
Son boy, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
Them should have to play.
Good things come to those who work hard for it. Pull sound, try to test the trumpet sound.
I'm tired of telling us tonight on a war dance. If you play money, hear that tune, yeah.
Oh, fight them to the top.
Talk to the boss, man.
Fight them to the top.
Talk to the boss, man.
Kill them nuns.
Hey, so tonight, remember.
Jaro sound gonna find them, yeah. With the help of the play, yeah. We're gonna find them to the top. Yes. We're gonna find without fear.
And some boy look sharp tonight. I feel them business that. Me I deal with the business. Jaro said thing right now. You know what going on here, you know?
A shine eye sound, not a threat to the Jaro ham gang.
You know.
A idiot sound, why not a threat?
Tonight is not a war dance. Stop hype up yourself, road boy.
Hey.
Take time.
Hey.
How you go?
Listen now.
Remember.
A shine eye sound, not a threat to the Jaro ham gang. A idiot sound, why not a threat to the Jaro hanging gang? I rise, early looking summed up from early.
I go.
I looking for the sound boy, but him not on ya.
Half an hour me have done it for same way. Same.
Ma run up him out, chat up him out with Lana hanging.
Like me said tonight, me come to play music for Jacksonville people. Tune like them and me attack. How you go? How you go?
Oh, Jaro. Some sound it have no bottom or no top.
And some boy hype up, tell them say, you know what?
Some sound have no bottom, some sound have no top.
Yo!
I want you know Jaro of all of that. Jaro in the middle of the dancer, yes, and dubbing you, son boy. And I don't know.
Jacksonville, remember them tune, yeah? Them tune have to play. How you go? All of the real Jaro fun, them, when them there. Turn on Jaro.
My dream last night was about Papa Jaro. Till I see I ain't giving.
Pull up, them tune have to play. The one you're there.
My dream last night was about Papa Jaro. Till I see I ain't giving him a crown. Them say him mash it uptown and him mash it down.
I mean, now we take justice too. Them coming tonight and look striped. They say tonight is not a war dance. And through me General Freddy not there, you want hype up. Me, I don't know you pan Jaro. Me say me defend that son with me life, road boy. You know what? You know what?
I have no fear.
How you go?
King Jaro is here. I have no fear.
Yo!
Jaro don't fear no sound. King Jaro don't.
Pull up! Wild!
I have no fear. King Jaro is here. I have no fear.
Yo!
Jaro don't fear no sound. King Jaro don't fear. King Jaro don't fear no sound. King Jaro don't fear. Because we're up.
Why Justice? Me know why you hype up still, you know. Tonight, you feel say they would have come in and look and stripe off a Jaro. Tonight is not a war dance. That me I tell you, say. But here one thing though. Him would have loved for tomorrow, man, to get on him phone and depend, yo. Me give Gerald some blood clot beating. Not a blood clot, not on my watch pussy. Hear that show, ya? Hear that show, ya?
Wait.
Oh, God!
Yeah.
What am I do? Yeah!
Trying to come.
Pull up! Wild!
Wait.
I don't want dances. Now go on same way though. Respect the boss, Papa Jaro, you know what? Run out!
Trying to conquer Papa Jaro, but you never will conquer Papa Jaro.
What am I know?
You're trying to conquer Papa Jaro, but
Jaro originates every style and pattern. What am I hype up on? Tell them! Yeah!
They ma run, come one play like Kilimanjaro. Do anything to be a fun club member. Don't tear, what I'm doing. Step forward. Rastafari sing, yeah man. They ma run, go. They ma run, go.
That one down them.
They ma run, come one play like Kilimanjaro. Do anything to be a fun club member. Every song
is not a war dance for the sit tonight, road boy.
And then me can take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam, till I'm a champion song. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Pull up. Problem shot in the building. War right,
yeah.
Now what you name?
Then me can take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam.
Come on.
Manjaro I go in another jump and can take the blum blum, ratatata blam blam. Kilimanjaro I go in another jump and there is too much labyrinth going on. Hey.
Level. Let me talk to my people. Big up Jacksonville, bad man. Got something like me don't understand. Them all want to legalize batty boy if you get married. But them don't want to legalize ganja. Fuck with that. Every ganja man in the building, put up your gun and right now. What the ganja man them there? Oh, God!
Second Mikey Tolo. I found a style them.
What the ganja man them there?
It named the visit of the King Selassie.
What the ganja man them there?
Visit of the King Selassie.
It
was the year 1966 when Selassie I made up. Second Mikey Tolo. I found a style them.
There's justice.
It named the visit of the King Selassie. Visit of the King Selassie. It was the year 1966 when Selassie I made a visit. The Rasta make the Babylon them look like rubbish. Thousands of people judge I know the crowd tickle. It was good the weather but the rain did a drip. Me say every dreadlock on them a burn up a cliff. Then when the plane land me hear the Rasta music. The rain stop fall, rainbow come quick. Up on the plane wing a flock of white bird picture. Selassie come out with him lion and him stick. A military clothes with the sword on him hip.
What a really jar from them there, you remember that tune, yeah?
I can't find a reason. Papa Jaro. Nice. I can't find a reason. Now I'm crazy.
Pull up.
Can't find a reason.
Pull up.
Papa Jaro, we so nice. I can't find a reason. Now I'm craving your body. If it's real, then preachers.
Tonight is not a war dance. But I don't know what I'm hype up for. You know what?
Doesn't matter what you play on someone, as long as you're not playing. You will die tonight. So when you try to play Jaro sound and try to come take our crowd, you will get thrown down.
Respect to no problem, man. Big up.
Sense starting
to
play.
Stand for family, big up.
In the end, you lose your.
As he loves stuff, others are as Big up Freddy. Big up Mr. Harper. Big up that youth and them Ricky Trooper. Him and the general. Look for justice and tell him from early.
When me look at me say, murder tonight, me born murder tonight, yeah. Murder tonight, me born murder rest of murder tonight. And some boy says, see yo, them like me car.
You have only bus sounding like, but not sound no bad like Jar, remember?
I sound off the roadway.
Remember?
You hear me now?
Oh God!
There are lots of sounds in life.
Oh God!
Some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away.
Come on!
Hold up your heads now, Jaro.
Me tell you tonight is not a war dance. What am I look strike for? Justice, easy yourself, you know what?
So never try to diss the sound with the young girl. Kilimanjaro, you've got the title. The only one who sits high and looks down low.
Mr. Justice, I'm for no problem, Sean. I turn around and try to war with me, you know what? Justice!
Yeah, tell them what to sound, what them I play with and I run joke with. Jaro will cut a chat, quick, the only friend where we love at the bomber clad slow. Cut a tear off them boat. Watch the sound where you a play with and I run joke with. Killer Jaro will cut a chat, quick, the only friend where we love at the...
It's not a war dance, it's a war clash, book a clash here, book a clash! You know what?
What a rascal sound clash this must be. If a fool come discuss me, we make them sound light up like a Christmas tree. Kick them in. Hey boy, you could have been like a bitch dog Jaro. Loosen your body to run like my pretty gun nervy, oh lad. Every gun nervy lad.
Jordan's not known for playing Bounty Killer. But the why you one of the baddest Bounty Killer ever building in the world right now.
Bounty Killer.
You don't know that tune, yeah?
So, son boy, make me tell you this straight. Jaro, we kill you. Daily bread summer. We ain't gonna pen on Jaro.
I know where dance.
Come, deal with.
I know where dance.
Killer, attack. Son boy, make me tell you this straight. Jaro, we kill you. One go pull. Gunshot big wine goes and damage. Your sound and abuse you.
Feel it in the one.
Let me hear the call the papa.
All who love God right now, gun and a lighter up there. All who love God, you know what?
Kill them today and tomorrow.
Remember!
As a tribute to Jaro, the great sound killer, the greatest sound. We come out ever. One sound we go up and back off it. With him soldier Freddy, raising the plate, lightning and thunder. Don't play chopper boy blood. Feel it in the one. Let me the Papa Jaro.
Here's a Yellowstone.
See Freddy.
Snitchy, big up the archers.
Jaro. Kill them today and tomorrow.
Come on, there you go.
As a tribute to Jaro, the great sound killer, the greatest sound. We come out ever.
You know.
The sound we go up and back off it. With him soldier Freddy, raising the plate, lightning and thunder.
Well enough.
Play chopper boy, blood run like river. Them don't know where the word Jaro stand. He stand for killing machine and crowd bleed off. Killing everyone. Let me hear no all.
Pull up. Like me telling us, say, tonight is not a war dance. Notice me not too hype up car. It's the business. But just because it's not a war dance don't mean say me I got cheat, you know, when it come to tune. You know, spending the money for a big tune player. Tune like them that me attack. That tune, yeah? That combination, yeah? Play by no more sound but Killer Man, Blood Clot Jar. Hear that tune, yeah?
Yeah!
Hear that tune, yeah?
Now let's give thanks and praise unto the Most High Jah, Rastafari, Haile Selassie the First, for giving I and I this great and wonderful privilege.
Big up Slam Force family.
Love and perfect unity, rather than this brown and the silky one, say. Oh, there's a king.
Keep the fire blazing for Jaro.
Rather than his brother, love your brother.
All who love Charles from them time till now, you know what? My God!
Then he said to Garnet, come and sing with me, my brother, man. Yeah.
Them should have to play.
I said I could not resist such wonderful.
Pull on the bass line. This is Dennis Brown and Garnet Silly.
To Garnet, come and sing.
Play by no more song but Kilimanjaro. Amen.
And I could not resist such one.
King of Rhythm and Blues, them can't go around that.
Come and sing, King of Man. Come and sing.
Kilimanjaro, the motion in the world. They said about apology, you know what, D-Brown? See that? Kilimanjaro, I go.
Yes. I said you kill the people in the morning, kill the people in the evenings, kill our fighters, well keep our fighters. Whoa, kill them in the mornings, yeah.
kill them in the evenings.
I'm gonna send big up on the jar for another billion right about now. Jacksonville, you know.
Listen.
Jaro Massive, are you ready? And let's do rock steady.
Here we go! Yo!
And you've got to do this new dance. Hope you are ready.
Them tune off your player.
And you've got to do it just like the Jaro Massive. If you don't know,
I'll wait the one alongside Sanchez Day.
Rock your body like, shake your shoulders, everything is fine, we're moving. Oh, oh.
Let's big up the people who love Jar from them time until now. With the Jaro people up there, you know what? Road boy, go!
Oh no, yeah. Turn it up when it's Jaro. Turn it up, let me feel the vibes. Turn it up in the big sound. Turn it up, let it shake the ground. Sound boy, Jaro makes me feel so brand new, brand new. Jaro makes me.
Jaro them king of them blues for a reason, you know what?
Yeah. Right now we ready, some boy, hold on steady. King Jaro move at lightning speed.
Here you go.
Cast seat and wait.
Pull up that song there. How about this? It cut off, the power cut off from a road. It cut off. All right, it's good again. It's good again. No man, no problem. Everything I'm for a reason, you see it. One to see this. All right, we're good, we're good. We're good. See it there. No problem. Right about now, I'm going to play that tune in next car. Me feel good in the morning hours. I'm going to spend big money for a big tune play. Long time Kilimanjaro don't come about them ends here. I'm going to take a long flight come here till Stein. You see it? Yeah, me not reach this yet. Early. Me not reach this yet. Me want to play that tune in your car. Me I tell you the God truth. Jaro big song. Big song. We have tune when no next song can play. King of Rhythm and Blues winning. You see it? You see all I've shown you? Them youths can't play them songs. Here we go.
Jaro. Garnet sound. Richie sound.
Here we go.
Run things.
Fast! I hear this. Jaro. Yeah, Jaro. Don't let the obstacles of sound get to that.
That's right about now.
Don't let the things they say and do
weaken your heart and conquer you.
Just make your sound a one of truth.
Jaro, I know Jah will see you through.
Cause they all wanna see you fall and stumble along the way.
Listen to the people that know still love Jaro son right about now.
Keep the
gun on up there.
He'll guide you day by day.
Day by day. Get on up, stand up, Jaro. I hear this. Jaro. The obstacles of sound get you down like this.
You know.
Don't let the things they say and do
weaken your heart and conquer you.
Just make your sound a one of truth.
Jaro, I know Jah will see you through.
Cause they all wanna see you fall and stumble along the way, Jaro.
Jah is great. Keep the faith. He'll guide you day by day.
Day by day. Get on up, stand up, Jaro. Don't give in, no. Get on up, stand up, Jaro. Fight to win, yeah.
Pull up. I see them dancer. I love them type of dancer. Can me can't come and dance and play a tune. The people must stand up and listen to what I go on. You see me I say? Big up. The foundation will come before me. Ainsley and them man them go right down. Germany. You understand what I say? Chopper. You look like Freddy. You see me I say? Right now, I'm going to play some tune to show Jaro size and Jaro foundation from long time. A long time I hear that tune I play upon Jaro now. I hear that song, yeah.
I'll be a butcher in the land. You know Kilimanjaro, son. Butcher, son.
I know what?
Every sound have a right to decide there. Oh, destiny and mercy.
Go on.
And in a Jaro dance hall, here is no partiality. So don't feel dope, we are going to dust them. Give them little trouble. And if you try to brighten on the dance hall, I ain't a big trouble. So why you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're so wrong. So why you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong.
Hey, but you're wrong. talk to them now, but I go.
So wrong. So I know no hypocrite and parasite and who know me a one. Who know is a foul offender and make we Charlie one. I know hypocrite and parasite who know we a jack. He's a foul offender and make Gyro pass.
Rubber dub sound. King Sound Gyro. If I got
Gyro, them king of rhythm and blues. Them can't go around the sun and make them know.
Watch this. Watch.
I go.
Memories don't live like people do. They always stay with you. Whether the things is good or bad, Gyro will make you jump like you're mad. Wanna hear that? Yankee the doo-doo went to town to buy a little pony. Soak up with the rainy here and only macaroni. But I'm in the Yankee the do-do, Yankee the do-do, Yankee. Soak up with the rainy here and only macaroni. Watch, I know for me. No one know for me. If you live around life, me say that I know for me. So come ya, Miss Blossom, come ya, Madarity. Follow me down to Crossroad where them have a reggae party. That is where we'll get the reggae music plenty. Even though them a walk and talk about una whole lady, but I tell you no, man no dead. No call them dumpy. Look for me, oh me maga and cranky. Even if I'm out, we don't reach nowhere with me maga, but it's so what I can get to do to buy a little.
Let's say big up the people who know say a praise God right now when the sun and shine and rain and fall. Anything me do in life, me involve Almighty God. All who love God, you know what?
Watch. Everyone is gonna love this.
Yo!
You will never forget this. Gyro, giving you niceness, and I guarantee you happiness.
I see before me leave tonight, you go and juggle some tune for the people, because we feel the vibes. You see me I say? So I'll tune like them that have to play tonight too, you know what?
It's the Kilimanjaro sound, okay? Don't want to big up Mr. Harper right now, just set straight. Eat that sound, boy, how we are tried it.
You are
I never tried this sound, man. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, the 4 season killer this. Gyro and the killer. Gyro the killer.
Not change about that sound, and we're still murdering people, you know what?
No, you should never test the champion. No, you should never test Gyro sound. No, you should never test the champion. No, you should never test Gyro sound. No way, no clash time comes around. They sent for sound from out of town.
Big up the man, no see a bus on a blood clot gun right now with the bus on them there.
Big 50 caliber go shove down over there. Kill sound boy, now go not no good over there. Kilimanjaro, we bust it over there. Kill boy, them now go with nothing. Yeah! The boy, money can't save you from your sin. You kick the boy in and face. But them know so them are waste. Anyway, you know, kill boy again. Bust it in a face. Big 50 caliber go shove down over there. Kill sound boy, now go not no good over there. Kilimanjaro, we bust it over there. Kill boy, them now go with nothing good over there. Boy, money can't save you from your sin. Cannot tell Gyro about you run something when mother I ain't sent murderer, I ain't sent king, I ain't sent son of trod from
said tonight there's not a war dance, but them a boost war. Feel what?
You see them boy, them sound they have blood mouth. Blood mouth can't thump on our face a lot with proud mouth. Blood mouth.
I know war dance.
I killer we a step with no doubt. Blood mouth, them can't thump on our face so proud mouth. Blood mouth. Hear me no miss a happen. Problem shot.
No one down here.
In my search in a film place. Bro, I keep be a chat from a chat.
Again.
But we not come from a we shoot gunshot in a boy eyes. I see them boy that them sound they have blood mouth. Blood mouth can't thump on our face a lot with proud mouth. Blood mouth like killer we a step with no down. Blood mouth them can't thump on our face a lot with proud mouth. Blood mouth. Hear me no miss a happen. Problem shot. You tell her in my search in a film place. Brooklyn, that a Kilimanjaro place. Any sound feel.
All of the people don't still love God right now. You know what, rude boy, you know what.
Kilimanjaro. Jaja is coming soon. Morning or night or noon. Gyro protect his people them from the Eden. Son boy, Gyro kill them soon. Morning or night or noon. We protect our people them from the Eden. Remember. Freddy, see them all come there, but you not run. Them all come there with them long gun. White all,
I play like 4 more tunes. I just says 4 more tunes.
Cassava paste, ready?
What on now?
Kilimanjaro. Jaja is coming soon. Morning or night or noon. Jaro protect his people them from the Eden. Son boy, Jaro kill them soon. Morning or night or noon. We protect our people them from the Eden. I Freddy, see them all come there, but you not run. Them all come there with them long gun. See them all come there.
I can't tell you the God show too. From the start play Jaro, all heap of fight me get. Some boy I fight against progression. A bad mind thing that. Big up the people who know so they hard clean right about now. You know what?
You know, Kilimanjaro.
Oh, some boy I fight me right now. Ask them. Ask them. How you go?
Them was so far, but them can't stop food from go on our table.
Make them know.
Jaro,
yeah.
Jaro, them can't hold you again.
What?
You know, Kilimanjaro, golly got another phenomenon. See it? You know, them was so far, but them can't stop food from go on our table. Jaro. Kilimanjaro, them can't hold you again. Can't hold you again.
Big up Freddy, big up Muppet, anywhere them turn is right about now, road boy.
Boy, take my word away. Jaro sound crazy.
Yeah.
No, we insane.
So boy better straighten yourself when you come for the lane. Rifle we bust to your brain.
Home we feel real intimidating pain. Come shit we fall like a rain. You can look like a sharp on the man.
Charlie,
pull up.
Charlie,
2 to go.
I take my word away.
Jaro sound crazy.
You know what? Will, can't regular tune that. You see when you come and dance and you have to play a song for the people, you have to play something that's, you know, premium, no regular. Everybody can play Mavado. Everybody can play Bounty Killer. Everybody can play Baby Sean. Everybody can play the artist shot. Here we go.
Well, hear this. How do them look at 2 things can done jump on you? I'm a low gracious man. They can't know such a champion. Man.
Super cat, walk on.
I'm dead man who want to die off Papa Jar, him don't know why. Oh me, oh my. A Papa Jar, Mr. Please tell me why. Whole one sound you have to die. I'm not sure anymore. Papa Jar, him don't know why. Oh me,
want to go.
Oh my. A Papa Jar, Mr. Please tell me why. Why all them whole pants out?
Want to go.
Yeah, I to them. I'm not sure anymore. I'm a jump on your big hill pan tour. Kill a million sound and more. And Papa Jaro want be the plate galore. Laura, this a sound ya go get him face more. Papa Jaro.
From what day? Jar did not stop book up. We play all over the blood clot world. Never fight with tell them.
When man are rolling up a rip on 225th, top bends and we rim. Kilimanjaro song.
Walk one, Bujro.
Them never know stuff.
Final entry. Problem shown in the building.
When man are rolling up a rip on 225th, top bends and we rims and Chris. Pulling up the station, we pick up Margaret and Dua. Pull up some petrol and then roll out with some punk about the data. Turn her in a bitch. To the Jaro son, the girls them complain. Jaro pack him 16 in 4-5 and oversized clip. Jump out of bed and drop the Honda Civic. He drive past the bridge, in destination didn't miss.
Alright. Kilimanjaro there for please Jacksonville people. Right about now, with all due respect, justice, what I say.
Big up yourself, Problem Sean. I love how you are going here. I represent the sound to the fullest. That's what it's all about. It's what I say. You do your thing, justice doing thing. No, none of them.
Justice, everlasting. I'm not saying a sound for passing.
No.
Chaos Lassa, hang that. I want them. Justice, everlasting. Anything test a dynamite and boom blast.
Who them blood class, I don't know.
I'm a sound. Justice.
I really care no.
None of the surround sound, world of sound.
Make them know.
None of them no bad like the justice. No. None of them no tough like a justice. None of them no.
Pull out that. Pull out that. No. Pull out that for that side. That real funny. Big up the artists in the house.
A justice sound. Yo, we are bust the bumbo clock town.
Yeah.
I want some boy.
them love lavish. Them just love chat up them beak.
No catches.
Justice pop it off and make them stop speak. Ha, you know.
You don't have no new catches, Jaro.
Them are in fact.
They are super cat. That you said.
Every day them run off them fucking mouth. Don't even know what them talking about. Calibers have them balling out. This justice them falling out. Every day them run off them fucking mouth. Don't even know what them talking about. Calibers have them balling out. This justice them.
Let them know.
Real boats rock always rise it up.
Sean, we said that we are talking about. Sean. Yeah, you know. Jaro.
Tell the sun will over there to stand the sun class creek.
I'm afraid of your bomb buckler.
And him strapped to vomit.
You in Diane yap all night, but you no come for clash. Shut up my blood clot business that. You think me give a fuck? What you say? Jaro the #1 son for years. True. But not when justice is a blood clot round.
Justice are the best. I don't know it. Lord, justice is the #1.
Jaro, come play a tune. Dance not done yet.
I heard you said to me, you wanna be the #1.
Dance not done yet, Jaro. Fine tune.
Special obligation to all the justice masses.
Fine tune, Jaro.
Don't know justice sound.
You get your blood clot money now. Fine tune.
Kill them in a dancehall style, yeah. For all the justice fans, hey. With a them playing rubber duck.
True Jaro about 50-year-old. Him thinks that justice now push
that
over.
Justice song. Every time, check it out. There is a message in what justice gonna play for.
Jaro, remember this blood clot justice and a push over you.
Kill them justice. This one is a sample play by justice. When justice will in your face, boy, you better find something though.
To the hard way.
You know. What a lee bam bam ba hey. In a this sound.
Jaro, you get your money complete.
Big up to me now in the house. The man who play rubber dub the most. Yeah, just see them a come. Hey, justice at the conqueror.
So the artist here that come about to play. A Jaro artist dead and gone. And Jaro can't play in blood clot dub. Super Cat alive. That easy to play. The artist here dead and gone. Jaro can't play him. Dr. C.
For real, you know? Killing the sound. Justice just kill a sound. And we are going to throw that one day down. So justice down lows. Now some clash with this is a game to play. Right or wrong.
Jaro, what you do? Save the tenor sound.
And if no sound boy made mistake, it's not justice sound them come people.
What the little youth do?
Sure. Yeah, juvenile man, respect to the max man. Juvenile man, the wickedest sound is sure. Justice sound.
Dance not done yet. Them drag it down a little bit, but what?
Son, you never do what you did when you this way.
Oh, talk about love. It's hard to kill a champion sound like justice.
You're mad.
The ruling sound of it.
Wanna see why Jaro no one clash justice? Wanna see it? No, wanna see it.
Blaze them with fire. Blaze them with fire.
Super Cat.
Straight justice. Jesus Christ. Why justice?
Super Cat.
Lord of mercy.
Why you say, boy?
Pain. Bang, diddling, bang, bang, pain. Justice leave us sound in pain. Justice leave us sound in pain.
Jaro, what you do? What you do? Problem, Sean.
You don't know Kilimanjaro Mountain in Africa, not tell me nothing. New York, you're born and grew up.
Nah, take back no talk. I'm not choke, no shut up for that. Fucking yours, Justice. Go take a look at you there.
Justice govern the mountain.
Fucking yours, Justice.
Remember that.
Lord of mercy.
Emperor Selassie, I saw.
Some food for justice and the rough and sound and play rough but tough in the whole of the world.
Make me one coffee, leave me one grape. Oh, spit on your coffee. I spit on your grape. I spit on you. I spit on your crew. Justice, you're a murderer. Murder star.
Listen to that sound, yeah.
Murderer. Justice sound a murderer. Oh, Lord.
When me say pussy, me know. When me say punk, me know. When me say bad man, me know.
Well, all over. Gilbang Spring. Long time. Why, yeah. Bad man from Miami. Justice.
No sound. Jaro, me bumbo clot. How do them?
All the massive, they ma run come. To hear justice play.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Original tune. From Nigeria now playing a tune. Problem can't manage it.
Come on. Justice. Kill them.
Yo.
Hey,
villain, make them know.
What eyes don't see.
Fireball.
Heart don't live. What is don't tear to justice. It's no fair.
Big up, Father Pablo no said no.
I met Errol Dunkley, 2001. Justice, murderer song.
Send it. What do you mean?
Justice.
I don't see why Jaro afraid to go to it dub for dub though. I don't see why.
No sound in this world can kill justice sound.
How you sleepy and listen to that? Now big up Jamal and Juvenile. Hey son boy over there say you can't talk to Juvenile. Your mouth tinker than the cemetery.
Problem sure. What you doing Jaro son boy?
Justice sound oh yo.
Tell Harper go back for Freddy.
Sound.
You can't manage the machine.
Nothing can take.
What you doing the sounds boy?
Sound killer.
No.
Sound killer.
Not justice.
That is what justice sound do, yeah.
Make him know.
Yeah. Oh. Well. Oh. Down boy come to justice school. And let him teach you the sound rule. Down boy you better know yourself.
From night the boy no play not tune for outclass justice. Not blood clot one.
For me in original artist meditation. I'm kill sound. Ooh, yeah. Run away now. See what I say now.
Make them know.
And if you run down justice sound, you will never catch it.
Justice from the killer sound. Any sound boy test dead. I man said that. Don't bring it. Original melodians on the place. Justice sound a rule. Whoa.
In to the hard way tonight.
Justice gonna murder a sound. On a sound boy way. When justice done,
no Jara bad sound. Bad sound me bumbo club.
The sight. Damn, no mics. That's the road sound boy. Don't you come back no more.
King Selassie I saw.
I'll hit the road.
Marcus Garfield song.
To come back.
Emperor Selassie I saw. I want to clown them.
We said the justice sound is a champion sound.
Shoot. Now he's the justice crew. We are gonna try. Dance done.
Anytime you're wrong, Jaro. Anytime you're ready. Anytime you're ready, man. Some of them a thing. I'm not drag it out like a you. This is Kingston, Jamaica. This is Jacksonville.
Talk about territory, but justice I send them to the cemetery. Hey, them
Dance not done yet, Jaro. Come find June. Listen to me, people. No sound in the bomber clot world. Father Harper say no one go dub for dub. We not go down dub for dub. You see what me I say? He say no one on custom. We no play none. He said no tell him go suck him mama. Me never tell him none of that. You hear how much things Harper beg for him with? I can't know so justice a bomb clad killer. And that's why I can't know so that you're not confident neither. Listen to me. Equal rights and justice, and that myself.
Ooh yeah, now. Justice sound, him a the champion sound. Him a the #1 sound. Them a go dead in a the sound clash. Watch it. Him justice sound, him a go kill that. Where you start?
You want to come create problem? If you're a bad man, go around where Harper say. No dub for dub. You're better than Harper. Come try play dub for dub. If you're better than Harper, come. Be ready right now. Come. Yo, that blood clot dead in this pussy clot.
Sister Martha, what you say? Easy justice.
Yes, stitch it.
Sell twin.
Tell your friend Yellowstone. Tell him.
Justice gonna kill you tonight. He's gonna bury you tonight. He's gonna show you that.
Never believe, sir. Me woulda live to see little justice. Can't look on big Kilimanjaro and tell him this.
Yes, you know, see how we run things in and the only justice we can pass right now is that justice are the #1 sound, the crown sound, bad man sound, murder sound, ruling sound, like man Jano can dance that. Saying that the bad man sound. Pick up your dogs, throw them away.
Jaro! You ready? Me love it. Me love it. Tell him Harper said justice. No kill champion. No race champion. Really out this year. Listen to me. You see him find back in computer. Tuna bite him. Me like it. You know how I reach him just like a wild DJ, yellow. When you see him fly up here, so you know how I reach him.
Justice! Original thing. Can't say me never did I warn you. Now the justice kill you. Soundboy, up the jacket, grave it you. Come on. Now justice kill you. Duppy jacket, grave it you. Soundboy, no trouble, take your ladder, God, and make me shut it and go.
Father Granted. We have a blood clot laugh. Kilimanjaro things say, well, inside the highest mountain. Yo, equal rights and justice govern the earth. Or the little mountain where you chat about you, the whole fucking earth.
Goodbye, Dance Massman crew. This is the original Black Heartman done that at the way they're telling you only one sound in the universe could have played in a sample. And it's a champion song called Justice. The champion Justice come here ram this ya dance. Don't test sound boy. They said the champion Justice come here kill them all. And he say galang 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 galang. The champion Justice come here kill the beast sound boy.
You know, say my complain again. He must say computer now work. No, man, but that you say, man. That you say, man. Fix it quick then. Fix it blood clot quick. You love complain too much, you know, man. Eh? You can't sing. You want me to get ready to make a DJ or do something? Man. Eh? What doing? Shit, tell him.
There is trouble in your way every night and day.
Yeah, man, a jigsaw.
Every night
I'm dead too. Jaro!
There is trouble in your way every day.
You get your money.
Papa just
you not do blood clot, nothing with it.
By what you have to say. Justice sound has a lot of credentials.
He come in here and complain.
Justice.
Everybody point to the door now.
Rules competition.
Point to the door.
Back up and go.
Sure, Jaro.
Back up and go. Go home. So pack up your sound and go. In a justice time.
Welcome, King Selassie, I saw.
Versatile.
Marcus Garvey, sir.
Well, versatile.
Wally Manuel, sir.
Singing one eye, justice in say to I. Just come for the rules, come please the massive fee I.
Play no show.
Hear and live a righteous.
No justice, I go play them.
Will be blessed as a Rastafari. I had to make a living cause I had a family. And food he must eat and clothes he must wear. Never had a bus fear, not a red cent around. I
listen to
the champ.
Quarry.
Say long.
Big up yourself, my boss.
No need not apply.
We never rob nobody. Everybody get peer on it.
Right. Say long. Here pretty people need not apply. Easy shot. Cause you must get a blind.
Sound boy.
Jaro pop down. Big sound. Oh, Jaro fi pop down. What kind of thing that?
Hey, sound boy.
What kind of thing that?
A sound is gonna die, die tonight.
Every blood clot excuse yellow. When it comes to justice, be an excuse.
Even though this ain't no sound, no rough, no tough, no better than just.
Sound big.
No sound, no rough, no tough, no better than the.
Justice I go wounded a sound. Justice I go kill off a sound. High.
You know.
Kill a sound, why we a go kill a sound? Why justice? Kill a sound, why we a go kill a sound? Why dub we are
Justice the champion sound. Oh yeah.
Me a dead with love, Frody.
Alright.
Jaro, me a dead with love. Got the blood clot.
And they not rough like we. And they not tough like we.
Jaro, you think your blood clot, man?
Now, but yo, change the frequency and along the Ross clad pole. There's justice and I get some gunshot on the mouth. La.
Tell him!
And I said, cha la 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 la, son boy go so cut your mama. Cha la 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 la, full up on the
Justice no one come big. Hey, vampire get the page in on the mid. Yo, you want to tell them something? Yeah. Yo, Justice, step in the face and tell them. Me say sound I go dead again. I see the sound will have to fall, but justice sound will have to stand tall.
You know!
And the wrong
father bud where you say club are closed. And not 15 minutes.
So all them fall.
Murder the pussy of
sound will have to fall.
Him no rate with.
Justice sound.
Him no respect.
Tall.
Him no bad like a win.
Sound them go call.
Problem sharp.
Against the wall.
What do you?
Why do the Eden rage?
What
When I hear me sing and imagine venture.
Tell Jaro, so I'm not afraid I am. Tell Harper so he can't tell Justice what to do. Listen, man.
Say dirty thing, but that the ring the temper. Last time I sit up in
Oh, Zion, yeah, man, just
me alone and play my song. No boy, no bad like me.
No, sound boy, I wonder how we do this. I'm going hate and anger. Bit of profits, but as we let's get longer. Them heart it and twist. No spread no propaganda, cause them can't stop this. The whole of them are wonder.
Big up Jaro. He reboot the computer. Him saying ready. Justice, no bad mind, no blood clot, no blood of the fucker. I mean, him justice, you know. Remember me, I tell you. Yeah, what go on now? I don't know why I'm coming council. But Father Bod said we have 15 minutes. So take 7 out of it. Give me 7 out of it. And the people them get 1 out of it. Alright then. You see before Justice go. Big up all of the original, yo. My friend.
Justice. Boom. All about the justice. Blah, blah.
I never tell Jaro so me want war him.
The world can't.
Afraid for clash justice and I'm making know. That's all it is.
Idiot sound get lightning and thunder and brim.
Hey!
Justice.
Can it be?
All about the justice.
Something.
You know, say if the
demon, villain, no catches.
Idiot sound get lightning and thunder and brimstones and fire. Lightning and thunder and brimstones and who do you wanna praise?
Jah elusive.
Big up all of the people that come on the dance.
Who do you want?
Big up Problem Sean. I do you hear me a trouble.
Just
real youth.
Hold on to Jaja and don't let go. Don't let
real blood clot, yo.
Don't let us sound
justice to name.
Control. Oh.
Every youth I look at chance in a blood clot line. Down.
Though I walk through the valley of death, we'll fear no evil sound. Justice. From the root of David
to divine
of King Solomon, Jah reveals himself in flesh.
So big up all of the ghetto youth.
Lion, idiot sound get lightning and
Problem Sean, worry yourself, you must.
And fire, lightning and thunder.
All ghetto youth will respect justice.
Aggressive sound must try. I have killed them with positive vibes. Justice. Progressive sound must try. I have. It's not.
Just in 2013.
Just tell me. Ooh, I go hold it back, hold it back. Justice sound, you done bust.
Yo, me don't give every trouble when me feel so me can't give already for the night. So yo, me I go do you know. Remember me they telling us from me a liquor boy. I grew up. Me I listen to Jaro son. I'm a respect Jaro son. I chew me I talk. So you me I go do you know. I first me ever see them coming. I'm gonna hear the tenor song sitting them. I don't know if sitting me no here. So you me I go do. Me I just make them go on and chill and relax. But here what? Me done with the trouble, you know. But if them I look for trouble, me they right over this.
Yo. You know see same run out that show. Eh? Yo, like I said in the beginning, tonight wasn't booked as a clash dance. Me now run from nothing. You know, see me there. Run from what? Big up Jacksonville people. Me love you know. Me come to play music for honor. See? I'm a boost war. I'm boost war and all know when I'm getting no forward. Eh? You see what I say? But big up Justice sound, see maker. You're a good son, you're a good youth. See? So, I don't want you to tune for the money? Alright, so, here we are. Which song I play right now? How you go?
What's the name of the sound?
This is Nitty Gritty.
Name of the sound.
Yes, oh my God.
What's the name of the sound? Papa's arrow playing your loud.
Yeah, man, you see me easy like Sunday morning.
Come on now. Already.
You walk one now.
Ship sailing, me say sailing fast. Ship sailing, me say sailing fast.
I know.
How many man and board?
Boy, God.
How many man and board?
Yeah, me to stitch it. Pick up the IHS. Brooklyn will say, anyway, we're going to the world. Look how while they play Sluggy. Sluggy are Brooklyn artists. Big up Sluggy Ranks. That me I say. And you hype up and go on the most when all of them get no forward. And I tired until you say, I know war dance. But Justice, hold that tune now.
So winded and go.
Where you hype up for?
So winded and go.
Yeah, this.
You done dead already. Someone.
Yeah, this.
You done dead already. Boy,
you
done dead already. Someone.
I
kill you already.
Pull up. Yeah, the bantu. I tell the wickedest slide them in our life. Justice a bad sound. We are kill sound. I know you can't kill Kilimanjaro. We name King of Rhythm and Blues. If you want a war dance, book the dance and we will deal with it. You understand what I say? Jaro don't run from people, we murder people. We kill man dead. That we say. Yeah, that's true now.
Here's the squeeze mate no Ryan. Now the song should test Jaro must be a damn idea your team.
Yeah, that's true now.
Hey.
How you go?
Kill them again, Jaro. You know your Jaro name? Kilimanjaro.
I know what dance, but you know what?
Calling the undertaker. Take another one to the nearest cemetery. Calling the undertaker.
Them say 7 show no.
The sound on the stretcher.
Yeah!
Evacuate.
Pull up.
Here's the squeeze mate no Ryan. Now the song should test Jaro must be a damn idea.
Wild.
Idiot. Hey.
How you go?
Kill them again, Jaro. You know you're a Jaro. Kilimanjaro. So we say, aye! Calling, calling, call the undertaker. Take another one to the nearest cemetery. Calling, calling, call the undertaker. Take another dibby sound on the stretch. Yo! Evacuate the premises. Sound boy, you dead now. Evacuate the premises. Sound boy.
Pull up. I don't understand this. Them come here tonight. Them book Jaro son for juggling dance. And them have them ulterior motives for hype up. But what do them? I don't understand that. Where they are tonight, and we come play a tune for Jacksonville people them. And you want to cheat them and try to war up the thing. I don't pay for it. But hear me I say right now. You are going.
And the Lord said, let there be light. Let there be sun.
You are
and let the moon shine. Great is the name of the Lord God of Israel. And this is the great sound Kilimanjaro featuring Luciana. Come crack.
Yaga, yaga, yaga. How can you be so unfaithful?
Big up Justice, but hear me I said up. Yeah, man.
How can you be so unfaithful?
Pull up. Wild.
Yaga, yaga, yaga.
I know.
How can you be so unfaithful after all the Kilimanjaro stand for you?
Pull up. Jano Papa Jaro. I want you tell Mr. Harper say him have another warrior rise. Yes, sir. You can't take his phone because my friend Tupa, me talk to him. Run, John! Jaro!
Mad me brother.
I know. How can you be so unfaithful after all the Kilimanjaro stand for you?
Yeah, man.
How can you be so ungrateful after all the giants stand for you? Yeah. How can you?
Here's a yellow stone. Here's a you like stitching. Big up the eye chest.
Hold your destiny.
Justice, big up. Yo.
In the stars and the world.
Yeah, hear me too. Yeah, play one more song. Jaro originate in Kingston, Jamaica. Problem Sean come from Brooklyn, New York. Anywhere me go to the world of Brooklyn, me represent. Me now stop say that. Can't give up Brooklyn. Pick up every Brooklyn son, every Brooklyn promoter. You have one more youth who I represent for owner right now. Pan the King song. King of Rhythm and Blues. Kilimanjaro. You are going down.
Rastafari. No, when
final entry.
I cover every crevice, you know. All kind of light up. No, Jaro, the roughest thing.
Pick up the Storm Force crew.
Business. Saying,
here's the love style.
So nobody feel like we're not Guinness. Oh, whoa.
All who love Jaro right now, you know what?
We go.
Turn on some on in ya. I go.
Listen. Jaro, a robot.
Pull up.
Listen. Jaro, a robot dub. Soldier.
Pull up. With all due respect, Justice and a war dance. Come play some song.
Problem Sean. And a war dance, beloved. Well, you are going. Big up the people them there. 2013, my album I come out, Emancipation Music. Big up everybody. Jar, no son of a man, we respect you. Liquor. Yo, Problem Sean. Respect you, yo. No make nobody fool you. Hey, tell Harper say next year, me have one dance named to the hard way. And I don't know, clash. You see what I tell you? Tell Harper. Respect. You go on like your brother, you're not playing on Bob Marley. I just say anyone can play Bob Marley. You know. This vice pan dopey satellite, you know. A Mota Baruka vice this, you know.
The man, the message, the mystic. Mr. Bob Marley, tell us, what do you think makes a song like Justice such a force to be reckoned with? Well, right now my life is my life, you know what I mean? If me live my life and I really say Justice a kill sound, when I don't really want it. And a sound for really remember says I shot the sheriff and I'm gonna get shot too. You know what I mean?
Wow. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up Jaro. Candyman.
Justice is a champion, killing son boys in the lawn.
Thank you all for coming out, people.
If you listen, justice song, then you will hear.
No!
Sound boy, don't play the first, don't play. You won't live to play the last.
Hey, problem, Sean.
Many sons will have to suffer.
Sean!
Many sons will have to die. Ask justice why.
Problem, Sean, the album name Emancipation Music. Yeah, you'll get it right, though. See it? Chuck off for the album. See a chuck off for the album. Emancipation Music. Chuck off for the album.
Dread beats.
Woo! Emancipation Music. Look out for 2013.
It's full of illusion.
Big up Jara. Sure. Equal rights and justice.
Life is full of illusion, lots of confusion. The simplest thing makes a man wanna draw for his gun.
No.
But I hope you live to tell your story. Without guts there is no glory. Once you live and once you die. Oh, what you gonna do when your time comes? You gonna stand up or you gonna run? Ain't nothing to waste, you just got to do it. But before you do the crime, I would suggest you think about the time. Life move forward and it cannot rewind. Woo! But I will pray for you, no matter what you go through. May God keep on blessing you. But I will pray for you. Justice the Great, kill the time.
I'll still say the first, so it's around to them.
Burn, burn them out, burn, burn them out, burn, burn them out. Let's go. Right now we go in and can't wait till later. Gotta make this money, have no time for the hater. Do what you do, but don't try out this fire. Ain't no one to blaze it higher. More fire, more fire. More fire, more fire. More fire, more fire. Cable top. Them don't like we and we don't like them. Them are we enemy, we and them no friend. Them don't like we and we don't like them. So tell them, so we not beg no friend. We come again. We put up on the farm and them we come again. We put up on the back bites and them we come again. Again. Yeah, go bonot. Aladdin farm and them do too much incoming and a cast problem them we have go bonot. And they got fight tell them that too much backbiting and a cast problem them we have go bonot. Aladdin work among them a work too much to the pump people children. And them these people just tell them I go condemn. So we not get no from them dead when we bust this.